money, 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 money show, doubles, doubles. Are we live? Come on, man. I'm checking my brakes, bro. Brakes. I'm checking them. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? The weekend edition is on. Come on now. Are we live, doubles? Are we live on the social? Are we live on the social? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Testing 1 2. Money test 1 2. Money test 1 2. We're live. Hello, 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 everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Money, 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 money. Yes. Okay, we're on all the socials, doubles.
Yes,
You ready? Because it's another edition, the weekend edition of Power Play. Power Play. Yo, 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 what's up, what's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the one and only, the indelible one, BYND in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. And this show is called Power Play. The weekend edition, baby. It's just as good as the regular edition, but it's the weekend edition where we get ready to go over the stocks that we're setting up for our Monday watch list. And what we do is we push into the stream on the left side of the stream, right over here, right over here. You can see it right over here. All of the news features in our Discord. That's right. We have 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, full news content for every single stock in the stock market, so that you can actually know what kind of catalyst is pushing the stock forward. So we're going to take a look at the catalysts. We're going to do a little bit of technical analysis with the charts over here. We like to call it TNA, a little TNA amongst friends, a little technical analysis amongst friends. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the charts on the particular stocks that we're looking at. And of course, we're going to use the indicators and decide whether or not the stocks look like they have some juice in the tank to possibly run on Monday. We're going to try to get to at least 20, maybe 30 or 40 stocks. That's the goal. We're going to be on for a while. So buckle up. Put your seatbelt on because the show is going to get started. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney. At Coach Nick Money, and of course you're going to want to follow us on X.com, aka Twitter, for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all kinds of financial news, and of course Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, everything and anything having to do with small cap and micro cap stocks. Why not? Why not? So go ahead and follow us on YouTube at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, and on X, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, and of course we're going to be doing a whole ton of streaming, so you're going to also want to follow us on Twitch at Coach Nick Money, at Coach Nick Money, and we got a ton of other socials that we're on. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coach Nick Money. Go ahead and hit a follow. That would be terrific. That will be terrific. And of course, we're on the TikTok at DBLNicks, at DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, baby, or as we like to call it, money, 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 money. Money, money, money. Come on now. Come on now. Yes, sir. Let me get a little refreshment in there, doubles. I'm going to get a little refreshment in there so we can keep on rocking the show, baby. Let's go. Yummy, 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 yummy in my tummy, doubles. I'm having myself my nectar of gods, bro. You got to have a little bit of that. You got to have it. You got to have it. All right, all right, all right. Okay. All right, so make sure you're following us on X. You know, I'm thinking about this, bro. We got almost 20,000 followers on X. So if y'all can go ahead and hit the follow, man, let's get to that 20,000 mark. That would be absolutely outrageous. And we're almost up to 3,000 followers on YouTube. So subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. It helps us out, and it allows us to put out more content for you that you enjoy. Yes, sir. So go ahead and subscribe on the X at Coach Nick Money, and subscribe on the YouTube at Coach Nick Money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, so let's go take a look at some of these stocks that we have on our watch list. Most of them are small caps, you know, but I kind of put a little bit of something, you know, mixed it up a little bit. So the first stock we're going to look at, we already have it written down over here. It's BGMS, and it had a really nice run on Friday. It ran pretty high, pulled back somewhat, but it still closed up 58% on Monday, on Friday, right? So BGMS ran up on Friday, a whopping, well, it closed 58% on Friday after having a really powerful run. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart. We can see currently that it's below the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated over here. Let's get it activated. Come on now. The volume weighted average is currently at $2.17, $2.17 right over here, and you can see the price action is at about $1.76. So we need to see a curl, baby, a curl, and a breakthrough of that green line, which is the volume weighted average. Obviously, there was a drop in volume in after hours, and there's indecisiveness with the RSI. But what we're looking for is a signal that this could potentially go bullish if the volume starts to increase and if the RSI starts to move up. So we're going to be looking for these two things to happen, and this curl right here, that's what we're hoping for. So hopefully BGMS will break the volume weighted average at $2.17 on Monday, doubles, Monday. Let's get a share party. Let's get a bunch of folks in here. Let's get it going. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see if there's any news for it, Let me see if I can find any news for it. I want to see if there was any news for BGMS. Let's see. BGMS, BGMS. Let's see. I'm just seeing general type of stuff. Let's see if there's a specific news article for it. Okay, there was. BioGreen Med Solutions surged. It went up 172%. You know that on Friday, doubles? BGMS went up 172% after it announced a deal to acquire a Malaysian waste tech company. So the catalyst for BGMS was news on Friday that they made a deal to acquire a Malaysian waste tech company. Yes, sir, a Malaysian waste tech company. That was the catalyst, and it surged to 172% on Friday. On the watch list for Monday. I'm just saying. Let's get that share party going on. Let's get some more folks in here. I'll talk about stocks, but we need more people in here. Otherwise, I'll play some Fortnite until we get some more folks in here. I'm planning on spending time, but let's get that share party going on. We can't have less than 100 folks. We got to get at least 1,000. Let's get 1,000. We need 2,000 doubles, right? 2,000? What do you think, doubles? 2,000? Why not? Let's get it done, bro. Let's go, Banger Nation. Let's get it done. All right. Let's take a look at another ticker. All right, let's take a look at another ticker. And again, remember, we're utilizing another one of the tools from our private Discord, which is the 24-hour a day, 7 days a week news feature. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week news feature, right? It is the news feature that we're basically doing right now, and we're showing it to you from the Discord. It provides all the news for the entire stock market, so we're going to use that to assess what the catalysts are for these stocks that we're going to be putting on our watch list. And then on Monday, what we're going to do is we're going to use our various scanners, like this one right over here, which is the market mover scanner, top gainer scanner. This is one of the scanners. This is going to help us go ahead and determine what the float and volume is for the stocks that are actually moving. And then these hyperlinks actually go right back to the news feature that we're currently looking at today. We're going to look at the news feature today because it's Saturday, and on the weekends the market's not open, so the market mover scanners aren't firing right now. But on Monday, this is what we're going to be utilizing because it gives us the news feature anyway, right? Okay, so let's go back to the newsroom. right, which is over here, and this is what we'll use to get information about the stock. So let's go ahead and read, before we go on to the next stock, let's read exactly what the news was specifically on BGMS. It ran really strong and then pulled back, so I wonder if it will be able to have a round two. We could see that the caption of the article says BioGreen Med Solutions surged 172% after announcing a deal to acquire a Malaysian waste tech company, right? The shares are trading higher Friday, which was yesterday, after the company announced it entered into a business combination agreement with Future NRG. BGMS shares are powering higher. Why is BGMS stock up today? Under the all stock share exchange, Future NRG will become a wholly owned subsidiary. So they're absorbing this company, Future NRG. The combined company is expected to continue trading on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol BGMS. So they're not changing the ticker, and will continue to be led by Dr. Doris Wong, current CEO and executive director. So basically they're taking over this company, and basically this company, Future NRG, is going to be a subsidiary of the parent company, which will be BioGreen Med Solutions. Okay. Future NRG is a Malaysian-based technology integrator focused on sustainable medical waste management for healthcare waste generators, including clinics, dental practices, veterinary clinics, dialysis centers, laboratories, and factories. The company uses ozone technology to process clinical waste, which the director said provides a 99.9999 reduction in microbial population while eliminating carbon emissions associated with traditional incineration. Okay, so it's got a story. It's got a story. That's what's going on. Now what we need to do is take a look at what the float and volume is, so we can see what kind of information we have on BGMS. So we're going to go into our search features on our private Discord community, so we can take a look at the actual structure of the overall stock, right? So the float on this is a low float of 4 million shares, and it had 105 million volume, 105 million volume. So let's write that down. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated over here. Let's dig into this, doubles. Let's dig into it. So the float is 4 mil. Right, doubles? 4 mil. All right? And the volume was a whopping, what did I say, 100 and what? 105 million. Okay? So the volume was absolutely redonkulous. There was obviously a lot of profit taking because the price crashed. We need to see whether or not there's a continuation. A lot of times when a stock goes up that hard, there's not a continuation the next day. But what's interesting is that in after hours, it still moved up another 17%. So it started to try to curl upwards. So we're going to be looking at the indicators like the RSI, like the volume candles, and like the relationship between the VWAP and the 9EMA. We want to see the 9EMA curl over and cross the VWAP. We want to see volume candles come in. We want to see the RSI move towards overbought. What looks really good is the fact that the float is just so low. It's a 4 million float share. 4 million is very low, okay? But what looks even better is it had 105 million in volume, okay? So that being said, we're going to keep an eye on this sucker, and this is one of our primary watch list stocks for Monday. Always do your own due diligence. This is not financial or stock advice. This is a show. It's a show, right? And we're telling you what's good for us. But you got to always do your own due diligence, folks. Make sure you educate yourself, become knowledgeable. Just do the, just get yourself better. Right? Get yourself better. All right? Always learn. Okay, let's get that share party. We're getting closer to that 100 person mark. Let's jump to the next stock that I want to look at. You ready, doubles?
Yes.
Let's take a look at SCAG. Right? This is a stock that also ran on Monday. Now, this is was it China or Hong Kong? Let's see. It is a China stock, okay? So these stocks are very, very volatile, okay? And I'm going to be very, very cautious with this stock because there's a couple things. Number one, it's a Chinese stock, so they tend to be very volatile. They move very quickly up and down, so you can see the price action go up really fast, and then all of a sudden it just plummets, right? So that's one issue that I have with it. The other issue is it's a sub-dollar stock, which also makes it very, very, very volatile, okay? What happens, what happens with these stocks that are under $1? Let me get my nectar of my gods here first before I talk about it. I'm gonna talk about some knowledgeable stuff. We educating today. Huh? Giving to the community, bro. We're going to give to the community. But first, I got to get my nectar, bro. You know what my nectar is, right?
Nectar.
Fanta orange. Fanta, bro. I got a bone to pick with Fanta, though, bro.
Why?
Why they got the ghost from Call of Duty on there? Why they don't got nobody from Fortnite? I'm a Fortnite guy, bro. I'm a Fortnite guy, bro.
Call of Duty paid them.
Well, they need to talk to Epic, bro. Come on.
Epic kind of needs to talk to them.
Well, listen, they got to work something out, bro, because I love my Fanta and I love my Fortnite. You know what I mean?
Loves your Fanta.
And by the way, the Fanta can colors, bro, are more in line with Fortnite than they are with Call of Duty. Call of Duty's
blue. Call of Duty's blue.
No. I'm talking about the background of the gameplay, bro. It's very colorful, right? Fortnite's very colorful. COD's not. Call of Duty's not, bro. It's like
you seen the skins that they have in Call of Duty?
No, I'm talking about the background, bro. Like the map, bro. The map is a lot grayish, brownish,
Have you seen
All right. I say tomato, you got to say tomato. Okay, Doubles, I get it.
Saying.
Okay, Dastardly. Okay, don't make me put the Dastardly picture up. Doubles, don't do it. Don't do it, Doubles. One more word out of you, and Dastardly Doubles goes up. Go ahead. I dare you. Zip it.
No.
Zip it one more. One more, buddy.
No.
All right. Anyway, you made me forget what I was talking about. Leave me alone. Anyway, back to the knowledge. All right. So here's the situation with these stocks that are sub-dollar, right? And this is a very interesting thing, Doubles, okay? I want you to understand this.
Yes.
What happens with these stocks that are $1, a lot of times, a lot of hedge funds won't trade these stocks. How about that?
Of course.
Okay? So as a result, what you generally have is you have a higher percentage of retail investors trading it, and they tend to be much more emotional with their trading. So what happens is you have a lot of erratic price action, right? The hedge funds kind of like, how do I put it? I don't want to use the word stabilize because that's the wrong word, right? But what they do is because they're there and they move in large clumps of money, right? The spikes and valleys. That's it. The spikes and valleys tend to be a little less dramatic. Does that make sense, Doubles?
Yeah.
Okay. When you got these sub-dollar stocks, a lot of hedge funds don't get involved in them, right? So, it's a more emotional type of thing. There's less volume, and it's more easy for these price actions to spike up and spike down. And then when you add the equation that it's a Chinese stock, for some reason, the Chinese stocks have a very significant reputation of reversing in either direction. You know what I'm talking about, Doubles? You know what I'm saying, bro?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about, don't you? You know what I'm saying, right? Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm just saying, I'm just a saying, bro, Anyway, so that's the story. That's the story, Charlie. That's the story, okay? All right, so, let's see. What else? Let's go ahead and take a look at this stock. It ran really aggressive on Friday and then pulled back really aggressive. So let's take a look at the structure of the stock first. So we're going to take a look at SCAG. And we're going to go into our private Discord features and search the float, which is heavy, 27 million, and the volume was 92 million. So from a volume to float ratio, not a lot of volume, and that's not uncommon for these Chinese stocks. So let's go ahead and put some information over here. So it was 92 Mil
Mhm.
is the volume,
Yep.
right? Volume,
Volume.
right? And then the float was, what did we say it was? 20 what?
The float was 27 million and change.
27 million. Okay? Now, if you've been watching the show for a while, folks, let's get a share party. Let's get to 100 folks here. We got 50. Let's get more people in here. I know it's Saturday. I know people are at the beach. They got their number one copper tone on to protect themselves from the sun, right? Copper tone level number one, right?
Yes.
Right? You got to put it on you. You got to put it on you so you don't burn. Make sure you put the highest one, number one, so you don't burn. You know what I mean?
Yes.
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That's the story. That's the story. All right. So anyway, 27 million float on this heavy float. Now again, I'm okay with heavier floated stocks when they're sub dollar, but I need to see significant volume to justify it. And 92 million is not significant volume when you have a 27 million float stock. Why? Because when you divide it, it's just slightly over a 3x ratio, right? So we'll just say it's a 3-to-1. Whoop. Whoop. 3-to-1, right? That's how you do it with the little colon in the middle, right?
Yeah.
The little colon in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Right? Oh, actually, another way of doing it. Here's another way of doing it. 3-to-1 ratio.
There we go.
Right? 3-to-1 ratio, right? So that's not a lot of volume rotation to cause aggressive, consistent parabolic moves. Now that being said, the stock did go up, what, almost 200%, right? And it closed up about 150%, 155%. So, it moved pretty aggressively, but it happened on low volume. So what ends up happening when you have the low volume is you end up having this type of choppy price action with a lot of top tails. What does that mean? The top tails basically mean that the buyers start to fatigue doubles. You understand?
Yes.
And there's no follow through, and there's sudden drops in price action, and that makes it very hard to trade these stocks because it could trigger your stop loss. It can. Da, 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 da. So, a lot of times stocks that do stuff like this, they trigger your stop loss. You basically sell for a loss, and the stock keeps moving without you after the fact. And then you say to yourself, why did it do that? Well, one of the reasons why it did that is because it didn't have enough volume to float rotation. Okay, so if you've been watching the show for a while, I like to see at least a 4-to-1 ratio, right? A 6-to-1 ratio is better, and when you have even more than that, it's even better, right? Okay, so we know that it's a heavier floated stock. Let's go and narrow this down so we can look at all the information that we've already written, right? We know it's a heavy floated stock. We know that there wasn't that much volume, but it did go up quite a bit. Let's see if we could find in our news feature any news that might have acted as a catalyst to push the price action upward on Friday. And we're looking for SCAG, SCAG. I guess it's SCAG, right? Is that how you say it? SCAG doubles?
Yeah.
SCAG. All right. So there was no news on this stock. I don't see any news on it whatsoever. Nothing recently. Okay, I'm going through the news feature in the Discord community, private Discord community. I don't see any news on it whatsoever, ever. But you know what? We can also search. This is another great feature, but it's not going to necessarily show up on the chart. Let's see if it shows up. Let's see if we can do this. Hold on. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see. Skag. Let's see if it shows up. Come on now. There we go. Search feature. Now, they only had like this thing right over here they had, right? They had this thing right over here, Form 6K, and it was way back on September. So there's nothing recent at all. All right, so there's no news that's pushing this on. No news, okay? All right, so A little bit more of a risky type of a situation, but it did run parabolic, so we're going to keep an eye on it. Let's look at it from a technical analysis standpoint. Okay, first things first, we're going to put the graffiti pencil over here and delineate that 80 cents is a key level of resistance that it has to break. The other issue is it's a NASDAQ stock. It needs to get over $1, right? So it has to break 80-cent resistance. It needs to break the resistance at 80 cents, which is the VWAP. And it's also under pressure to get into compliance with NASDAQ because NASDAQ requires a minimum bid of $1, $1. And right now, the price action's at 53 cents. We've also seen quite a few stocks recently that were under $1 make their way above $1. Okay? So what happened over there?
Can you not die? Don't do that.
It was the nectar. The nectar got to me, Doubles. The nectar got to me. All right, so what can it do to get itself over $1? Well, one of the things it can do is start making money, right?
That would be good.
Right, and be profitable, right? But that's probably not going to happen anytime soon. Not soon enough to get compliance with NASDAQ. It could do a reverse split. Right, it would be a good candidate for a reverse split because it's got a heavy float. It's got a heavy float of 27 million, right? Right, so that's a possibility, right? But the problem with the reverse splits, a lot of times when they do the reverse splits, the price starts to bottom out after the reverse split because it's perceived as a negative, and then sometimes it'll pump back up. But if they do the reverse split, a lot of times what they'll do is they'll do a reverse split that puts it up several dollars. This way, if the price goes down, it still stays above that $1 minimum bid, right? So that's a possibility. But what we're seeing here is that the price action moved up on its own without a reverse split and without a news catalyst. There was no news catalyst. It just went up, right? So maybe there might be something brewing that we don't know about. But we're going to have to see what happens. We're going to have to see if the volume actually comes in for SCAG. It did run very aggressively, okay? Will it have a continuation on the second day? I don't know. Will it happen during the week? I don't know. But I'm going to keep an eye on it, and I'm going to be looking to see whether or not this price action starts to curl upward and challenges that 80-cent level. That's the situation with SCAG. SCAG, baby, What? Okay, Doubles. Next stock. This one's not a small cap, Doubles. This one's not a small cap. No. Not a small cap. No, I tell you. No, it's not. It is a large cap, but I want to talk about it. MRVL. Okay, Marvel Technology. Now, that's a hot topic, right? MRVL is a hot topic. Now, let's go through the specifics of the stock, and let me explain why it's on my watch list, okay? Let's go and take a look at it. I tell ya. Let's take a look at it, okay? All right. Okay, so first things first, there was some news today, actually, that just came up, right? Today. Was it today or yesterday? Today. Marvel Technology CEO Matt Murphy believes this is the most beautiful thing one person can do for another, and it can change their life. I don't know what that's all about. Okay, well, let's see. Marvel Technology and more 5 stocks. Anyway, the bottom line is I know what the news is. This company is one of the companies that's going to be added to Standard & Poor's 500, right? So it's going to be added to SPY, okay? Right? It's going to be added to SPY. That's one of the issues, right? So it's going to be added to SPY. There's 2 companies, and this is one of them. Okay, so that's one thing right off the bat. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look at this. It's a much more expensive stock, right? You can see it moves differently, so, I'm not really going to bother with the RSI so much. We do want to see the price get above the VWAP, okay? That we do. VWAP is $280.75, so that's the VWAP 280.75. Right, 280.75. Okay, and again, this is not, this is more of, a large cap type of a stock, but I want to keep an eye on it just because it's being added to the Standard and Poor's, okay? And maybe the price can start to move up, especially since it has pulled back so extensively, okay? I may or may not trade this, but I want to keep an eye on it because of that, okay? So, going to be added to SPY. That's the news catalyst for it, and we're going to be looking to see if that acts as a strong enough catalyst to push the price action up. Okay, I think the date that it gets added is going to be June 22nd. June 22nd. Okay, so that's the reason why we're going to keep an eye on it. I may not trade it at all. Okay, but I would like to see what also happens with it just to get a vibe for how this could potentially create a sympathy play in the small cap stocks. Aha! You see? You see? If this starts to move, maybe some of the small cappy wappies might go up. Aha! Aha, doubles. Aha!
Good.
So you got to do 4D, 5D, chess there, You know what I'm talking about? Doubles.
Yeah.
4D, 5D. Like that, bruh. Like that, bruh. Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Let's take a look at another stock, okay, which is on the watch list. Again, we're going to go over a lot of stocks, but we're going to go ahead and get a dub for the community too, bro. We got to get a dub for the community. Hover wanted us to play with him, but I can't do it, bro. I can't do it because he's going to want to play, and I'm going to want to like talk about stocks. You know what I'm saying? So. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, doubles? We're gonna stick to doing a lot of stock talk here. We'll get dubs too, though. New season, doubles.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Chapter 7, season 3. But I got to tell you, it's interesting that they kept it as Chapter 7 because the map, bro, is completely different. After they did the Shatter event, which you filmed, by the way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to try to see if we can put that out for you, the Shatter event.
Yeah.
The whole entire map just changed, completely. The POIs are all different. There's some old POIs, but a lot of them have been moved to different locations. Like Wonky Land used to be in the upper northwest part of the map. Now it's in the upper northeast part of the map. Yeah. Battlewood was further south. Now it's further north, and it also changed. So a lot of things happened. Well, we're going to check that out. I started dabbling with the gameplay just to get an idea. And the loot pool is completely different. Mobility is different. The weapons are different. They got the sprites back. That's kind of interesting. I wasn't a big fan of them, but maybe I didn't really understand them. We'll see. You know what I mean, doubles? We'll see.
Yeah. Sure.
We'll see what's going on. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll check that out and see what we can do with that. Why not? Okay, so the next stock that we're going to look at is QUBT. Let's take a look at it. QUBT. Okay. All right, and again, we're going to be using the news tool in the Discord to get information. This is how we get ourselves set, right? So UBT. Let's see if there's any news on it. And in fact, on the 4th, quantum stock opens above IPO price. Okay. All right. That's the wrong stock. That's not the one I want. I want QUBT. Why are you giving me QNT? What is this? That's not what I searched, okay? That's not what I searched, doubles. What's wrong with these guys? What are they doing? I'm wondering if there's a relationship between that IPO and is there a relationship between them? Hold on, let me just see. Let me see. Hold on, let me refresh. Quantum stock opens above IPO price, then fades. QNT had the kind of debut that gets the room buzzing. Okay. The quantum computing company opened at $68 per share Thursday, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, but why does it not have any news on QUBT? Why? Here we go. This is what I want. This one. Let's see if there's any news here. Hold on. Please hold. Shares of hardware companies are trading lower as stronger than expected U.S. payroll growth In May is eroding confidence in the Fed rate cut. Okay, we know about that. Okay. All right. Anyway, I think the main issue with this stock is that quantum computing is starting to get a buzz, right? So the AI, data centers, blah, 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 doubles, all that blah, blah, blah type of stuff, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, all of that blah, blah, blah type of stuff is starting to push some of these stocks up, okay? Like, for example, a lot of people were checking out Keel, which isn't really doing terribly well, but it went from Bitcoin mining, it's shifting now towards AI, data center, blah, 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 because that's the big buzz right now. So a lot of these companies will use catalysts as a mechanism to generate volume, which then moves the stock up. So with this one, QUBT, the potential catalyst is the buzz in quantum, right? Quantum is like, a potential buzz for this, right? And we're going to be keeping an eye on it to see if it can generate volume to push the stock upward. Okay, now this is a heavier floated stock, okay, but the price is low and it's a little beaten up, right? It's a little beaten up. So let's go ahead and basically create a Fibonacci retracement on it. Let's do that, right? Let's get the Fibonacci retracement. So we have some key levels of support and resistance for QUBT. Let's go get it. QUBT. Let's take a look at it. Right over here, right over there. Let's move it up. Okay, there you go. So you can see right off the bat that the price is below the volume weighted average. It needs to get above the volume weighted average. Graffiti pencil activated. $10.13 is the volume weighted average. We need to see the price break above that. You can see that the stock is obviously heavily being moved by both buyers and sellers, because you can see that the RSI is very thick and pretty much buzzing back and forth through the midsection of the RSI, so you don't have a clear indication of either buyers or sellers being in control. So what we're going to want to see is we're going to want to see it stay above a $9 mark, okay, break the volume weighted average at $10.13, and then the next challenge for it would be the Fibonacci level at around $14. So that's what we're going to do to keep an eye on QUBT, and if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. It's just something that we're going to watch, but we got a bunch of other stocks we're going to look at. We're almost at 100, folks. Let's get a share party going on, and let's go get a dub for the community in Fortnite season Chapter 7, Season 3, baby. Yes, sir. But before we do that, if you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't sit on the outside trying to piece it together by yourself, okay? We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99 to join our community, and it is full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list that almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up going parabolic. You'll see the 24-hour, 7-day-a-week market news flow, one of the features that we're showing right now. There's multiple news features that we have, but this is the news flow. So we have the entire stock market on the Discord community, and it's completely searchable, so you can understand what the catalyst is that's moving the stock. And again, the news is important to help evaluate how strong the catalyst is and how likely the stock will continue to move forward, right? So that's why we're basically use the news feature. The news feature is very important, okay? The other component is we have pre-market, regular hours, and after hours scanners that run constantly, and they have a multitude of data in them, okay? The float, the volume, and catalyst context is actually built right into them, so you have it right at your fingertips, okay? And you'll see one of our scanners, which was custom built by DBLNX and myself, called the ticker tape scanner, which is a breakout scanner that was built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. Okay, this isn't noise, it's structure. This is how we do it. Okay, we use structure. If that's how you want to approach this market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. Okay, And when you come in, let us know you saw us on the stream. We love hearing stuff like that. Okay, we love hearing stuff like that. We also have another offer right now going on, which is a limited time offer for those of you that want to save a couple of dollars on the subscription. You could sign up for the quarterly subscription, and there's a pretty significant discount when you sign up for the quarterly subscription. So you pay once every 3 months, and you get a big discount on what the monthly amount turns out to be. Okay, so the link is in the description and in the pinned comment for that as well. And doubles, put some merch up there, will you? Put the merch up there, will you? Put it on there. Put it in the feed. Put it in the feed. Let them see the store, baby. Let them see the store. If you're interested in the merch, we also have new Banger Nation merch for you. New Banger Nation merch, a lot of good stuff. T-shirts, hoodies, caps, a bunch of good stuff. You can go ahead and peruse it. Looks really good. Looks really good. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. And doubles, why don't you put it up there in the news feature so the folks can see what it looks like, a little something, something, right? Why not, doubles? Why not, bruh? Yeah, get the link and let them see it, I tell you. Let them see it. Looks goody, goody gumdrop, bro. Goody gumdrop there, yeah. Go ahead, put it in there, bro. Put it in there. Put it right in there, bro. Come on now. Come on now, those. What's going on? There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Put it up.
Don't rush me.
Put it in there.
Go slow, you keep it up.
Put it in there, I tell you. Put it in there again, because it's not showing up.
Okay.
Yeah, put it in a second time so I can. There you go, right there, Banger Nation merch, baby. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Official store of CoachNickMoney.
Yes.
You got cups, you got caps, you got hoodies, you got T-shirts, you got mouse pads, right? You got all kinds of good stuff that we got in the store. So go ahead and check it out. Go ahead and check it out. All right, let's go get a dub for the community. And then we'll go ahead and check out a couple more stocks, doubles. Why not? Why not? I'm feeling ornery, bro. I'm ready. I'm excited to get in and play some of this, how should we put it, Chapter 7, Season 3, and get a dub for the Banger Nation community. Let's do it, baby. All right. Let's do it. Woo! If you played Chapter 7, Season 3, let me know. Let me know. I'm interested in finding out what's going on. What's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? Yeah, what's going on? I'm not totally used to the weapons yet. You know, doubles? They got this one weapon that basically is like I don't even know if it's an AR. It's a rifle, right? And it shoots like explosives, bro. It's like really redonkulous, bro. You know, this is not it. This one's like a burst. The one that I got on right now, I got a burst, right? So see, so it's pretty tight. It doesn't have a tight bloom, you know, doubles. You know? Yeah, no doubles. Hello. Good evening. Where did I land last time that was really good? I landed down here. This place right here was really good. Kind of far, but you know what? I'm going to see if I can get there. I really enjoyed that POI, bro. You know, had a lot of good mats and stuff. And we are playing build right now, so why not? Why not? It's kind of a long drop, but let's go and do it. Let's get it. I like that drop. I'm not going to lie to you. I gotta check out the map a little bit, you know? Check it out, baby. Check it out. Yes, sir. All right, we got over 100 folks. Let's get to 200. Let's get to 200. We're going to be talking about some other stocks pretty soon. I got a whole bunch of stocks I'm going to go over. We already went over 4 of them, but I got more. I got more for you. We're going to be on for a while too, doubles. I'm feeling ornery today, doubles. You know, I'm feeling like I'm in a giving mood for the community. Yeah, bro. I'm feeling. You know, I'm blessed, bro. We blessed, son. So we're gonna bless our Banger Nation family. Let's get it. Let's get it. There's somebody actually landing with me, bro. That's cray, bro. That is crazy, dude. I'm shocked, bro. I am shocked that Yeah, bro. I'm kind of like surprised that somebody's landing on me, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Landed a little bit lower than I wanted to, doubles. You know? You know what I'm saying, bro. Ooh-wee. Why isn't it not letting me reach? Come on. Ah! Ah! Pistola. 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 Pistol, baby. Yes, sir. So what do you think about this drop so far? Yes or no? You feeling it? You're not feeling it? What are you thinking?
I don't think about it because I don't know. I haven't been.
I don't know. Anyway, let's see. Let's get out of here, bro.
What do you think about it? I don't think about it yet.
But what I will tell you is I'm not really seeing. I'm not seeing a lot of shotguns. That's kind of disturbing. You know, it bothers me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Here, let me see this. Can I take that? No, you gotta have lower health in order to get that one. All right. Let's get in. Let's get in here. What is that? What is that?
Grab it.
I don't know. I can't figure out how to grab it. I don't know. Oh, I don't. Ooh, look at that.
Walk up to it.
Ooh, I don't know. Right now I got the storm behind me. I gotta keep moving, bro. I do. I got the storm behind me, bro. Oh, wait a minute, dude. There's a vehicle, doubles. Look at this. Oh my.
That's great.
Doubles. Did you see that? There's a vehicle, bro. Bro. Leave me alone, doubles. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, bro.
Grab the thing.
No.
Grab it.
Oh,
What do you?
doubles. Leave me alone.
Hey.
Leave me alone.
Go back up there and grab
You
it.
annoying me, bro.
Go and grab it.
You annoying me, bro. You annoying me, bro.
Can you grab the thing?
You are annoying me, bro. Do you see that there's a
It's
storm?
useful thingy, now grab it.
Doubles, you see that there's a storm, right? You see that, right? I know. I got a storm line. I do. Ooh, a rift to go. A rift to go. I'm not going back.
I think grab that thingy right there.
I'm not.
Why are you grabbing it,
I don't wanna. Leave me alone. Oh, dastardly, leave me alone, DBL. DBL dastardly, leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone. Oh, wait. There's a key thing over here. Look. Key thing. I care. I want to get my thing, bro.
Forgot to grab the sprite to give you things, man.
I don't know, bro. Leave me alone. Wait a minute. Let's go over here. Where is this? Where's the key? Where's the key thing? Right here. There's the key thing right there. What? Wait a minute. Why is it so far away?
Watch him find a good place.
What is that, bro? Man, I don't know. I'm still getting used to the season, bro. I'll be honest with you. I say this all the time, though. I don't like the season so far. But I say that all the time, though, Doubles. You know that. All the time, bro. I don't like change, bro. I like consistency, bro.
Grab the sprite.
Why?
For the love of God.
What does it do, bro?
It siphons health and shields.
Oh.
When you
Wow.
people.
Wow.
So when you make people go bye-bye,
Okay.
it siphons their life force into your body.
Okay. Alright, let's get out of here, bro.
What? I know. Drop that AR.
Alright, you know you're annoying me. Now you're annoying me.
Put it away.
Alright, you made me get rid of the rift, but you know I like rifts too. A rift. Shotgun.
I have a pistol right there. Just get rid of the pistol.
Doubles. That's actually not a bad idea, bro.
Oh, really?
I'm gonna listen to you, bro.
That,
You're right. I should get rid of that, bro. Bro.
I know
Man, you intelligente, bro.
I know.
Bro, you intelligente, bro. No, you're right, Doubles. You're right. When you're right, you're right. No. You're right, Doubles. You give me agile, though. You giving me agile, son. You're harassing your paja. You are. You're harassing your dada. Your papa. Your papa. 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 I know.
Yeah.
I know. Bad things happen.
Bad
They
things
did.
happen.
They did. I tell you. Can I say something? I need a freaking shotgun, bro. I'm just saying. I mean, not for nothing, but you know what I mean. I need it, bro. And then, ooh, another vehicle, bro. I'm getting vehicles, bro. I wasn't getting vehicles before. I'm very.
Mobility, now there's mobility, huh?
There was no mobility, though, Doubles. There was no mobility, bro. Finally, I'm finding cars, bro.
What about the shaka shaka? You got the shaka shaka.
No, I don't got no shock. No, I don't have the shockwaves,
You
bro.
got the shaka shaka.
What the heck is a shaka
The
shaka?
shaka shaka, the freaking shaky shaky.
What?
Shaky shaky bakey bakey teleporting thingy in the sky.
Oh, we got enemies nearby, bro. Shooting at me, bro. They're shooting at me. I don't know. Somebody was shooting at me. Oh, they are shooting, bro. They're shooting at me, bro. Yeah, I think I will.
Shaky shaky, the thing you're shaking and you're beating.
Are you talking about the rift?
Yeah, the shaka
You're
shaka.
very, you know, disruptive, son.
Shaka shaka.
You're very disruptive, son. You know that?
The shaka shaka.
No, I want to see if I can shoot them. Can I shoot them? Come on, is anybody nearby?
I was still using the shaka shaka.
I can't find this guy. Whatever. Let's keep going, bro. Let's keep going, bro. Come on, Goofy. Come on, Goofy.
Why is there a...
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Oh, way, oh, way, oh. Woo! I kind of nailed it, right? Is there a key over here? What is this? What is this thing? What is this?
I think that is the extraction thing.
What the heck is an extraction thing?
You extract the sprite.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You can extract exfil as in get sprite up to the mothership.
What? Dude,
I'm speaking.
they got way too much going on here. Doubles. Oh, the shoot, dude. You know what? Forget about the doggone key. I got the boots, bro. I got my boots, bro. The boots, bro. They're fast, bro. I'm not gonna lie, they're fast, bro. Yes, sir. But I still don't have a shotgun. Still don't have a shotgun, bro. I need. Oh, shot the gun. Right over here, bro. Right there, bro. Shot the gun, bro.
No, you better not.
I don't have enough. I don't have enough, bro.
You better not get rid of that rifle. I know. You better get
Well,
rid of that shaka.
No. Ooh, look at that. Look, I'm gonna need. No, oh man, decisions, bro. Decisions. I'm gonna hold the rift. Alright, let's see if we can just get a shotgun, bro. I need a shotgun. Got a shotgun? Ooh, gray? Really? Yeah, I know. Yeah, but that's not the shotgun I want, bro. Nah. Come on, give me a good shotgun, bro. Why is it not giving me a good shotgun, bro? Oh, look, shot the gun. Woo! Nah, what a trash shotgun, though, bro. Alright. I have to, bro, I can't carry all of it, bro. I can't. No, I need the mobility, bro. I need no, they're not good enough, bro. Trust me. I've already played the freaking game. I'm telling you, bro. Nah. Listen to me. Listen to Papa for once. Listen, Linda. All right, let me concentrate on this, Doubles. You're bothering me right now, Doubles. You're bothering me, son. You're bothering me, kiddo. You're bothering me, son. You're bothering me. See, there's no gas. That's why I need my rifty in case I get into trouble, bro. Trouble. Toil and trouble, bro. Yeah, they do, bro. Trust me. They have their downsides, bro. Trust me when I tells you. shoes are very good. See, like that right there, bro. Like I said, bro. Bye-bye. That's why the Rift is good. Yeah, I know. I know, bro. I feels you. I know what you would have done, but I tried to do something different, son. It didn't work, bro. It did not work, bro. It did not work, bro. Yeah, now I will. Now I will, bro. Now I will. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Like that, bro. Like that. Let's get out of there.
Make sure all your guns are reloaded. All the guns.
I know. I'm gonna do it, double son. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make you proud, son. Let's do it. Let's do it. Like the cannibals do. Cannibals? Animals do.
Animals?
I don't know, bro.
What?
I thought. What is this thing? What is this?
It's a water spray. It basically,
How does it work?
it gives you it replenishes shield when you're in the water.
Oh.
Go in the water, man. There's the water right next to
Yeah, but there's also storm. There's also storm, bro. Here's the water right here, bro. Here's this right now, bro. I'm swimming, bro. I'm swimming, bro. All right, where is? Oh, it is. Oh, dude, it is giving me shield, bro. What did you learn, bro? We're learning that I got some shield coming on, bro.
The more you level those sprite things up, the faster that shield's back to the top.
Really?
Yes, you gotta level up the sprites. You gotta kill things, open up chests.
All right.
If you do that, then it levels up completely.
All right. Doubles, all right. I'm listening. I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you, Doubles. I'm listening. Oh, okay. You're like an expert at this thing, Doubles.
That's all I do. I play a lot of Final Fantasy.
Why, is this where they got this from?
No, but the concept...
Ooh, there's an enemy right there, Doubles. Look, there's an enemy right there, bro. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Whoa, dude, what is going on with this guy? Oh man, bro. Doubles. Damn, that shotgun was fugazi, bro. Alright, we gotta try that again, Doubles. We gotta try it again. That don't count none. That don't count none. That don't count none, bro. That don't count none. We gotta get 200 folks and we'll start going over some more stocks. Let's get that shit party going on. Let's get that shit party going on. Yes, sir. You know what was up 10% in after hours?
What was?
VS was up, and that's a low floater. We're going to look at it. But first, we're going to go back into the game, bro. I'm still getting used to this, bro. I'm not quite used to the game, bro. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So the concept of buffs and debuffs, which is what those things are. A buff, you probably don't know what a buff is, right?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
So a buff, think of it like how when someone's buff, they're stronger.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Same deal.
Okay.
A buff,
Is that what the sprites are?
sprites give you buffs, yes, sort of.
Okay, I still don't understand them, by the way. When they came out in the first season they came out, I didn't play the game that much because I didn't like them.
Alright, so basically,
Yeah.
certain sprites bring certain advantages. That's what a buff is. The water one,
I like the water one.
yeah, the water one allows you to
The red one.
Kill people in
Yeah.
the game,
Yeah.
it siphons their health.
Oh, is that what that? So that's a siphon sprite? Is that what that is?
Yep, it's a siphoning sprite.
Oh, okay.
The fire one, if you deal enough damage to somebody,
Mhm.
it basically shoots out a bunch of flames, fireballs, and basically just hits them really, really hard. Fire.
Wow.
And then the GRAN one, if leveled up correctly, allows you to collect more rare or useful items.
Oh, is that how it works?
Yeah. Now you have to
All right. All
Now, in
right.
order for the sprites to work better
Right.
than they would normally work, but
Yeesh.
at level 1 they work, at level 2 they work better, at level
Right.
3, etc., etc.
Right. Right.
So at level 3, or whatever, right?
Right.
To level them up, you have to not only take people out, which incentivizes to take people out, but also open up chests, right?
Mhm.
Open up chests, and also...
How do you know all this?
That's because it says it in fact. I read it right there on the side of the screen. You gotta read it.
What?
And you gotta read it.
I can't read while people are shooting at me, Doubles.
You don't get shot at, you just gotta read it.
Not Doubles. They were shooting at me. Oh, dude. The 0 point looks like it's in the middle of the ocean. Is that the 0 point on it?
No, apparently the 0 point is in the middle.
What is that on the right hand side? Look at
I
that.
don't know.
That's kind of weird looking, no?
I don't know what it is.
Kind of weird, bro.
It is kind of weird.
All right, listen.
But,
I like this landing spot.
yeah,
I like it.
yeah.
It's it's a little out of the way. I might not like it if I find something better.
Also, did you try and put this right in the
I don't know. I did not. Oh, I did not. I did not do that, Doubles. Oh, look, there's news on XOS. This is a stock that ran. It just popped up. There's news that came out. XOS, 5 stocks investors are secretly monitoring. Oh, okay, well, that's not really that big of a deal. News-wise, look at this. Again, no shut the gun. But I'll take it. I'll take it, right, Doubles? Why not? Fugazi Fugazi, bro. Fugazi Fugazi, bro.
Basically, the concept is also the big thing about
And they're putting it into fork knife, a fork and knife.
They took it from Call of Duty as well as like
Did they?
Battlefield and other things like that.
Is that what they did? They took it from these games?
Sprites are kind
All right,
of like,
now what am I doing with this?
I don't know what that is, but
Stage 1,
Name's
equip.
Cluster.
Equip
it's
the.
like a little
a
quest
proposition
thing that kind of
for
gives
you.
a tutorial, sort of. Okay.
I have no idea what that.
Basically,
See.
it says equip a sprite, meaning find a sprite.
Okay, and what am I supposed to do when that happens?
Once you put it on your back,
Okay, all right.
it's telling you to do that. That's all it's telling you.
All right, well, I don't have a sprite yet, so that don't help me none. That don't see. I don't want to think too much, bro. I don't like thinking too
I
much.
think you left behind.
Oh, there's somebody shooting at me, bro. Somebody shooting, bro. No, somebody's shooting at me, bro. There you go.
You left it behind again. Right there.
Where?
Right where that guy died.
I'm not done yet. I'm shielding up, bro. You bother me, son. Stop bothering me. I'm hurry. Ooh, what do I get? Yeah, what do I do? What am I gonna do with him?
Keep him on your back.
Earth Sprite, you have a
Take
chance to
orders.
find another rare item.
Good.
Okay.
Now,
The chance to find rare
let's
items
have some
on people's
fun.
chests.
Okay. All right. All right.
I.e., you get gold.
Doubles. By the way, we still have no
No shotgun.
shotgun, bro. Again, no freaking
Don't
shotgun.
worry, we'll get to the shotgun.
What is up with that, bro?
You see, now if you level up Mr. Sprite over here, you might get a better chance of getting a shotgun.
Shut the gun. Shut the gun.
Not just any shotgun, a gold one. You gotta behave yourself.
I gotta be a good boy. I gotta be a good boy.
Wait, see what that one does. Hover over.
Is it a Sprite also?
Yeah, it's a Sprite. This is what it does. It's gonna be even more useful. Your pickaxe deals more damage. You don't need that. That's
All right. It's Fugazi Fugazi.
yeah, unless you want to extract them and level up your current.
Oh, wait. Shut the gun. Shut the gun. Doubles. Shut the gun. Shut the gun. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. We got the vehicle in the house, bro. Wait, what happened? Why did he jump out?
keep around.
It gave me a weapon, bro. It gave me a Fugazi weapon, bro. Yeah, that's not what I wanted, bro. That's like a Fugazi weapon, bro. We don't want fugazi weapons. We want good weapons,
Save a rare
doubles.
weapon.
We
Save
want a good weapon, doubles. I'm just saying, bro. Oh, ah! I crashed, bro. I crashed and burned, bro. I crashed, bro. All right, so I'm gonna be getting like, oh, look at what is that? What is that? I don't know if it's any good though.
When you were like, oh my god, you were like falling over because it had 3 shots.
I don't know, bro. I don't know. We're gonna try it. Why not, bro? Let's do it, bro. Why not? Because it hits pretty hard. It hits pretty hard, dude. You know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna work my way into zone though. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, bet. 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 Got it. It's a little different. It's a little different, I tell you. All right, let's get some mats, bro. I don't have a lot of mats, bro. You know I like my mats, bro. You know I like them. I like myself some mats, bro. A little bit of mat action, bro. Alright, let's get out of here, bro. Alright. Oh, somebody just shot at me, bro. Bro, they sneak up, these little creatures, bro. Right? These little creatures, they sneak up on you and they try to shoot you in the back, bro. What's up, bro? Where you at? Where you at, bro? See, he's trying to shoot me again, bro. Look. But hiding, bro. Why you hiding? Why you hiding, fool? Why you hiding, bro? I see you. Bye, fool! Bye, fool! Should I get the spray? Or no?
Check and see what level it is. It's a water spray.
Yeah.
So, you're not in a watery biome, really.
No, I'm not in the way. No?
No? I mean, yeah, you could if you're swimming a bunch.
I don't know, there's
But,
water.
You don't exactly have shield you need to regenerate right now.
Yeah, I know.
Say
I don't know.
I'd say turn around and grab the land one.
But I didn't get anything I liked from it, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna give you stuff.
I don't know, bro. You're scaring me. Stop
You.
scaring the coach, bro.
Scaring the coach. It'll give you things, okay?
What's up with that shotgun? What is this shotgun? Hold on, I want to see what the shotgun is. What is this? No, same thing. I'm trying to get used to these weapons, bro. I'm trying to get used to them, bro. Alright. Well, now I got no... But now I got no mobility, bro.
See that thing right in front of you? That's an extraction.
What does that mean?
When you strike to that thing, a box will come down.
Where do I go? Here?
You basically take that, press the button.
What button?
The button right there. You don't have to.
And what does it do?
It sends a box down. You put the sprites in the box, and then it extracts the box.
And why am I doing that?
Your sprites. Not the sprite you're currently
Do I have any in my inventory? Oh.
I'm saying, like, you catch.
Alright, that was a waste of time.
If you catch the ones like the water sprites.
What is this? Oh, look!
Pick him up. Pick him up. Now go to the extraction. Go.
But I want my gun, bro.
Just go to the extraction real quick. Get your gun later.
What happened? I missed it. Alright, what does this red thing do? Does it do anything or not?
If you deal enough damage to somebody, it lights them on fire.
Oh, okay. Alright, why not? Why not? Why not,
I
doubles?
was gonna say you have another sprite that you can just like walk up to the extraction button and
Alright. I'm getting shot at, bro. They're shooting at me, doubles. They're shooting at me. Oh! Oh, hello! What's wrong with you? Why are you shooting me?
Oh, look!
Oh, another.
Grab and extract. Go ahead.
But how do I put them in my inventory?
That was in your inventory just now. You're gonna have to replace them. Just like grab them and drop them.
No, but you know, no.
Just go grab them and
You know what? Leave me alone. I don't know anything about these doggone things. Leave me alone. No. I'm not a boomer. I'm Gen. Yo. You listen to freestyle. Be quiet, fool. Be quiet, fool. You pissing me off, Doubles. You being mean, bruh. I'm no boomer. I play Fortnite, bruh. Come on now, bruh. Stop hating. Why? Cause I'm pretty? Cause I'm pretty? Huh? Look. There's a fool over there, bruh.
All right, I was gonna say what you should do.
Hold on. I gotta shoot the fool, bro. I want to see if I can. You said if I hit him, he can burn, right?
Yeah, you have to do some damage to him. Yes.
He's right there, bro. Can I do some damage to him?
Yeah, and the more people. Go nuts.
He left, bro. He left. And there's another car over here, bro. Yeah, I know. There's another car right here too, bro. All right, I gotta pay attention, bro. Hold on. Where did they go, bro? Where did you go, my lovely? Da 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 da. Alright, I'm getting a little annoyed that these guys are hiding, bro.
They're always hiding.
Right? I mean, you tag them a little bit and they just start running, bro. And running and running and running. That's so annoying, bro. Come on, man. Let me eliminate you. I want some elimination. Alright, listen. I got myself my mats. I'm good to go.
I think that one's following you.
I'm gonna go over. What happened?
I think one of those things is following you.
Is it? Did they take the car? They took the car, right?
Yeah.
They did, bro. Come on, bro. They took the car, bro. Oh, there's a car right here, bro. Look. A vehicle, bro. Hold on. We gotta get a car, bro. We gotta get it. We gotta go. We gotta go.
I'll tell you this though.
No, enough. I don't care about the sprite on my back.
You're gonna need to care about that.
Why?
That's the
Why?
one that's equipped to you.
Yeah.
It's equipped. Not in your inventory, equipped.
What does that mean?
Basically, the fire sprite that's on your back,
Yeah.
shoot it first enough times, it's gonna light them on fire because that sprite is what's equipped. Anything on your back is equipped to your body.
All right.
Anything where your guns go.
Okay. Got it.
Good. Right?
Got it. I got
If
you.
you find extraction things and you have a sprite nearby, just grab the sprite, throw it in the extraction thing. You get the experience of your sprite that's on your back, and you get the extra attacks.
All right.
Which means you can brutalize people easier.
All right. Come on. Where's zone? Come on, give me zone. No, I'm trying to look at the map. You're bothering me, son. You're bothering me. I know, but you're bothering me anyway. You're still bothering me, son. Listen. You're bothering me, son. You're bothering me. All right. All right.
I want to hear it.
All right, here we go. We're. By the way, I had the first glitch in this game, bro.
Yes.
I had the first glitch, they, like I was wearing the boots, and all of a sudden there was like all this freaking noise coming out of the boots, bro. And the entire game was the roaring noise of like air and like wind and all that other garbage. I'm like, I don't know where you wanna go. When the volcano blows, da 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 da.
Yes.
Da 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 da. Like that, bro. Da 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 da. All right. What other stock we're gonna talk about? We're gonna talk about NEXR too. NEXR had an after-hour run of 27% NEXR, and it ran, most of the day actually, on and off on Friday. NEXR, 27% up. Microfloat. Whoop, microfloat. Whoop, micro. Micro, float, micro, float. Yes, sir.
You're.
All right, this is 5 enemies, bro. We got to get a victory royale, bro. We got to do it. We got to do it. Bobo B says, howdy, Lima Charlie, finally. Don't worry, brother. We're going to be on for a while. This is going to be a longer stream. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. We went over quite a few stocks, but we're going to go over some more of them. This is Chapter 7, Season 3. Hello. All right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. All right. Not in zone. Not in zone, I tell you. Not in zone, so we got to keep moving, I say. I say we keep moving, doubles. Not in zone. Not in zone. Shooting to the left of me. Oh my. Oh my. Yep, somebody's in there, bro. Yepers. They are. They're shooting at the coach. Alright, let's see. Where are they? I saw one guy right there. Come on, pop your head up. Pop your head up. I want you and I need you. I want you and I need you. There he goes. He's going up. Go ahead. Pop your head. Or not. Oh no, that didn't work out well. Alright, we gotta move, bro. Oh, where did you go, my lovely? Where did you go? I wanna know, my lovely. Come on, fella. Come on, fellas. Where you at? Where you at? Where? Right there, bro. Right there, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, he's got that, bro. He's got that thing. No, it was him. Shooting at me, bro. Where you at, bro? Where you at, bro? Where are they at, bro? They gotta come over here, bro. Somebody give her. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. His teammates coming. I mean, the enemy's coming, bro. Ah, dude, I died to the storm. Ah, it was unfortunate. I took too much damage, bro.
Yeah.
Took too much damage. Get out of here. Go get a job, bro. You don't even dance good. Look at you. You look stupid.
You're gonna have to.
You look stupid. You look stupid. Stupid.
Stop.
You look stupid. Look at you. Look like you're on doing the dance like a day. What do you do? What do you do?
What are you doing?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
What's the matter with you?
What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you? Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney.
At Coaching Money.
At CoachNickMoney. And follow us on X at CoachNickMoney.
At Coaching Money.
Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at CoachNickMoney.
At Coaching Money.
Twitch at CoachNickMoney.
At Coaching Money.
And, of course, TikTok at DBLNicks.
Realnix.
At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, this is the extended weekend version of Power Play. It's the weekend Power Play show. So we got a lot of stocks to go over. We got a lot of stocks to go over for our Monday watch list. We've already gone over several stocks. But now we're going to go and do a deep dive. Doubles into some other stocks. Why not?
Yay.
Why not? Why not those? Why not? Let's take a look at a stock that closed really strong on Friday. GMHS. GMHS. Let's take a look at the stock, okay? It closed pretty high. It's one of those China stocks, so you know how they could be frisky. They can be pretty frisky, doubles. Pretty frisky. Let's put it over here. Let's put it over here. Let's do a little bit of that. All right, so what it's doing right now, it looks almost like it's trying to do a sub VWAP cup and handle. I don't trust sub VWAP cup and handles, but we'll see what happens with it. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's take a look at some specifics on it. So it closed up almost 80%. They have a conference call on Monday for earnings on Monday at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So maybe there might be buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news.
Yeah, maybe.
Pre-market, maybe. I don't know. It's possible. We'll see. But it already started making noise on Friday. I don't know if it'll continue. I don't know. But right now, what we see on the chart is that the RSI closed Friday neutral. Right. So we're going to keep an eye to see whether the volume and the RSI start to move upward, and can it break through the volume weighted average? Let's get the graffiti pencil activated.
Yes,
The volume weighted average is at 176. Let's take a look at the stats on the stock. The float is 18 million. The float is 18 million, and it moved on only 24 million. So that's a 3-to-1 rotation. 3-to-1 rotation. Volume to float rotation. You know that I prefer 4, 5, 6, or even higher. The more volume to float rotation, the more demand, the more likelihood that the stock is not only going to move up parabolic, but it'll also withstand sudden drops. Now, this is one issue with the stock. You can see that there's a ton of top tails on the stock because, again, it moved on relatively light volume. But it was up almost 80% in after hours on Friday. So it goes on a list of stocks that we're going to keep an eye on for ourselves for Monday. But again, you know, the issue is they're going to have earnings at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that is before the opening bell. So my concerns are that I'm worried that maybe it will jackknife at the open. You know what I mean? Because buy the rumor, sell the news. That happens all the time, right? So it has earnings. It has earnings on Monday. You know, that's got to be snow and hover. Let me tell them that I'm streaming it. You know what? We'll play like 1 or 2 games with them, and then we'll jump back in. Let me play with them. Let me play with them because they're very, really cool people. You know?
Yeah. Let me make a stream.
Yeah. Let me talk to them. Guys, hey guys.
Yo, Coach Nick joins.
Nick
joins.
Guys, I'm live on stream, so I could like play like 1 or 2 games, and then I gotta go and talk about stocks. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All
Yeah, I'm
right,
fine with that.
terrific. I mean, I wanted to play with you guys, but I didn't want to bore you with stock stuff.
Put your Sprite
Nah, you
first.
chillin'.
Hold on, I
It's
gotta
good
click
for
my
me to,
Sprite.
Hover's a budding financial genius, so I think it's right up his alley.
I mean, if you guys don't mind me talking about stocks, I will.
I
But
don't care. Go
Yeah.
for it.
yeah, okay. Well, right now we'll go and get a dub for the community first. Let's get a dub.
Let's go.
Let's get a dub for the community. We just went over a China parabolic China stock, but it only had a rotation of volume 3-to-1 in relation to the float, and it went up over 80% is what it closed in after hours. A stock called Gamehouse Holding. Has like almost a German name, but it's a Chinese stock. Ticker symbol GMHS. Pretty interesting, right?
Ooh.
Yeah. So, but Hover, you like stocks? Snow got you
Yes,
into the
sir.
stock market. Let's
Yeah.
go. Let's go. Good for you. Love hearing it.
Yeah.
So, what do you guys
Yeah,
think of the
for
new
one young.
season so far?
Oh, I thought I hated it, but I loved it.
Really? So, what changed for you?
Me carrying a gun that basically blow fishing spots.
Interesting.
Give me a Midas fish every game.
Oh, you find
That's how we won.
you found a Midas fish? Really?
Yeah,
Few
and every,
times, yeah, several times.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm not you.
It's OP.
You found a location?
it's every spot.
Kinda. Yeah, I mean, really, any place where you can get like the explosive AR, whatever that's called,
Uh huh.
and then find a place where there's enough fishing spots, and you're probably bound to find it.
So what do? You take the explosive AR and shoot it into the fishing hole?
Yeah.
Yeah, remember back in the day, like with the boat? Or
Yeah,
with
you used to
the-
blow the fishing holes up with the boat.
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
So you don't use the fishing pole. You just use the explosive AR. I got to tell you, that gun is broken, bro. I like it.
The only thing is you don't get any. I don't think you get any weapons when you do that, but you get a lot of heals or the potential to get the Midas.
Well, that Midas is monstrous. I mean, you
Yeah,
end up
so
with gold and you're good to go.
Yeah.
How are you finding the mobility? I'm not loving the mobility too much. What do you guys think?
I like the
Yeah.
impulse. I use impulse.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
speaking
think
of-
the impulse is the move. What about those boots that allow you to slide quickly?
I never liked it.
They're
Yeah.
my second favorite. I mean, but you don't really have any other option.
Yeah, I mean, for rotation purposes, it's good. They don't have a lot of cars,
Right?
I like that. I like that. because it's
but
Yeah,
but
yeah,
it's
the
also
back. I don't
it's
know
also
if
the
you saw
beginning
that.
of the season, so I'm sure they're going to start changing things.
I think
yeah.
where lately we've been going, but I don't know if that's where you want to go.
Yeah, I don't mind. Oh yeah. I usually land right here,
love
so
those
yeah,
boots,
we could
man.
go there. Absolutely. It's funny that doubles they like landing right around where I've been landing.
Oh yeah, no, it makes
Yo,
How
Mint,
cool.
you won that game?
No, I came in second, bro. I got griefed by the third guy. I eliminated him, but he took all my health, and then I got caught in the storm. Yeah, it is what it is. It happens is right. We'll get it now as a trio. Let's go, baby. Come on,
Let's
Banger
go.
Nation,
Yeah,
show the support for the community.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Yeah, and always, the first day is always the hardest day to get.
Yeah, you got a lot of people playing the first day. I got to tell you, they really did a massive change, so I hope that brings a lot of people to the game.
So much water. So much water.
He's got a team sprites.
That's one thing I don't like about this map. There's so much water.
Yeah, in a way, it kind of reminds me of that. What was that? Chapter 1, Season 3, where the island was
Yeah.
filled with
that's
water.
what- yeah.
Well, I was
My
chapter
storm
one.
was a big wave.
Yeah. When the flood happened, right?
Yeah.
How do you guys feel about being able to drop real quick from the sky, just like no build?
Oh, I like it. I like it.
Yeah, I'm fine with it.
Yeah, I like it too.
The only thing I don't like about it is probably there's gonna be those like people who never get off the game and they're like far better at like the strategy and doing it, but
Yeah.
No, it's not hard. It's really like.
Yeah.
it's not hard. But like I just feel like somebody's gonna land on me from behind and then.
Right. One thing that I was finding, hopefully not the case right now, but I was finding that it was difficult to find shotguns. I just found one though.
Yeah, shotguns are-
Good shotgun or
They're
bad
not that
shotgun?
good either. I feel
Yeah, I'm not loving the shotguns. No, I'm not loving them.
the
I
pistols.
like two of them.
And
Yeah, I
usually I
want
like
this one.
pistols.
Pistol used to be so broken every
Are the-
season.
Let me ask you a question. Are these keys worth having or no?
Yes, it
I
give
don't
you
think
like
so.
you could open vault.
Alright,
Let's go, minus fish.
Oh, you got it right
Let's
away.
go.
Look at that. Good deal, bro.
Let's
You already
go.
did it. Let's go.
Whoa, holy.
Let's go. I love it. All right, so now I know what the story is, guys. Thanks for sharing.
That's the meta, and I have a feeling tomorrow or the next day they're gonna nerf it. And there's no way they're gonna keep this.
Nah, they have to keep this for comp.
Yeah, right.
They need to keep this for competitive. No, I didn't know Portugal was playing. I was missing half time of it. Anybody want give me one of their guns for me to upgrade it?
Go ahead.
Coach Ken,
How about the
you can go
shotgun?
without me.
How about the shotgun right here?
So you want any?
No, I'm good. Just doing everything.
Yeah,
and
I can
then,
give you another weapon too. Here. Oh well, no worries. Oh, look at that.
think
Oh
it's
yeah. Do you want a scar, by the way? Snow, do you want a scar?
No, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Wow, that is awesome. Awesome sauce, boys. Wow. Thanks for cluing me in on what the scoop is.
It's been working. Ever since we figured it out, we've been doing really well.
And you found the you find the explosive gun right away, huh?
Yeah.
I did, yeah. I mean, I feel like it's pretty easy to find one, even if Ray works.
It's only because it's 2 ARs in this game.
Yeah.
The burst AR is not that bad.
I gotta tell you, I was using that explosive AR. You hit people so hard with that thing.
Yeah.
And then, like, if you get like the fire sprayed, I feel like it also like lights their wood on fire too at times.
Oh, that I didn't notice.
Oh no, you have to have the little feature in the back.
Yeah, the fire spray. Yeah.
Oh, the Sprite. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. 221 folks, ladies and gentlemen. Show some support for my buddies. Let's go, team.
Let's go.
Let's
May the stocks
go.
be with you.
Yeah. Right?
You
know, we got enemies at the gas station. What do you guys want to do? You want to fight them or avoid them?
I do
I'm a
whatever.
little bit behind. I'm coming in. I'm still in storm.
All right, I'll wait for you. I got
You can-
look, he's at 300. See him? 310. Guy's running. Now he's in west.
I see him.
You want to get him?
Uh,
He's one of two. I saw another guy as well. We don't have
if
to.
we,
The
if we
keys
shoot
are.
them behind with this
Wait.
AR,
You know
we
what?
can-
The key's right over here. Let's go get the key. Hold on. Might as well get the key, right? Let's see. Where is it?
the
Guy
fire
down-
one.
Probably down here somewhere, right? Yep, right there. All right, I got into the vault, guys.
Nice.
You want to come over here and get some stuff?
No, I have my gun's is chilling. I have a legendary shotgun, a legendary AR.
You know what? What does this key do? The Epic Vault. Where's the vault? Is that something worth having?
Oh
or
no, that's too far. That's always too far.
Okay.
It's the one that takes you to 1,000 meters away from us.
Oh, we don't want that. Yeah, we don't want that.
That's his bit from us, by the way.
All right, let's get it.
My thing is over 4. I have a good feeling that we're gonna win this game. I'm not near to put it.
I got good loot, man. You know, because Hover really hooked me up. Guys, we're going to talk about NEXR. NEXR, when we start charting, we're going to talk about that stock. It was up 27% in after hours, and it has a tiny float of 653,000 shares. So it is a micro float.
Oh, they open it. Oh, look. Let's go down. Float.
I see him.
They go circle.
You know those boots when you jump off the side of a cliff when you activate them?
Or like gives you like a propulsion. I forget. Is that it?
Yeah, they don't they provide you heal. Nice job, Hover. Somebody over here, 2 people.
Oh yeah. I think they're inside. No, they're outside again. Catch him. Great.
Oh, I just got knocked.
Some of these guys are better than me.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Catch him with it.
Nice.
Yeah.
Pop your juice. There you go.
Yeah. 45 shield. See that big pop in there.
I got hit hard. Can I heal really quick?
There you go. I'm not gonna double key. I will have double keys, but like they peel me, they have to see me up and everything.
They're looking for me.
Nice.
I'm pushing up.
He's got 2 of them weak.
Dude, there's your push.
Take it on.
Just coming in. Somebody's
Oh.
Yeah, I'm dead. So just dip. You're chilling. It's a good team.
Yeah, they are a good team. Got your med kit? Nice. Good job, Hover. Oh man, they're right there.
You want to come back?
No.
Looks like he's escaping.
Alright, good. Might be able to get you up over here a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Do you have gold?
Yeah, I have enough. Got 1,000.
Oh! Oh! You might have to. You might have to let.
Finish you, then I can do both cards.
Yeah. Okay. Go for both cards.
I'm not building
Wow.
on criteria.
That was rough. That was rough.
I didn't know how more people there, but I looked at I could get escape. I thought my spot earlier was.
Thank you,
a good
Snow.
Spot, but
Yeah.
thank you, man.
Hey, maybe we could find some fishing spots over here.
Back on my fishing, man.
I got the exploded.
Yeah, shot at.
Oh, you haven't? Okay, good.
Look at that. No.
I didn't do it. But yes, I was getting shot at too.
Oh, they don't start you with any
I'll
mats
see if-
whatsoever, huh? They don't start you with mats
no.
here.
I don't have a whole
They
lot.
ended.
No, it's okay. I don't need it. Go ahead. Go ahead. You can hold on to it. I'm gonna. I just realized that there's just not a lot of mats. That's all. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna take it then. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna grab this rift so we have it.
Another fishing spot.
Oh, perfect.
Just some heals.
I'm just saying, like, I'm still farming up for mats.
Your coach gonna be a little heat and shield.
Yeah, perfect. Is this a fishing hole
So
right
what did
here?
that-
No. Is this a fishing hole right here? No, right? No.
I don't see it.
No, it was too small to be a fishing hole.
We could go over here. I don't want to split up from hover though.
No, no.
I'm coming to you guys. I'm coming to you guys.
Alright, let's go. Let's see if we can find some fishing
Oh,
spots.
I
where
thought
we
that
can-
was you guys doing this.
Are you in trouble?
And hopefully back away.
I got a rift if we gotta get out. I got a rift.
They're on me. Yeah, they just rebooted.
I'm not rookie. A fake impulse.
They're below me, one of them. In this build. I'm pretty sure he's right below me.
No, he's not.
He was here just a second ago.
Yeah. But I don't think you guys should dip because like different teams shooting at each other and like be right
Alright.
between it.
He was right
Fair
down here. I'm coming down to hover. To hover.
Yo, so let's use the ref to Coach Nick have.
All right. Matting up over here.
Problem like it.
All right, guys. Remember, I have a rift. Just as an FYI. Did you notice that the sliding mechanic seems to be a little bit different?
Yeah, I have.
I'll grab that other rift. I'll grab the other rift.
So should we use one of them or should we just stay in there like? Should we just?
Should we third party those guys or leave them alone?
He's white, he's low.
Yeah, it is. I need a loot low key. I'm going for it. Loot. Oh my goodness, all legendary weapons. That's. Wait, he took my loot.
Oh, the guy killed you?
Yeah.
It's revenge.
Why is it level 1?
Oh, these are the guys, right?
Yeah,
There's a car. There's a car over here going away. There's a guy in here by the box. He's white, low, like 50, 40, somewhere in this box. Now I think he's moved over.
You have someone in there who's 15 white too?
Yeah, I got some 15 white too. Moving in.
Right over here, over here. Oh, that's a bot. It's a bot. It's a bot. It's a bot.
Oh shit! I got footprints on my side. By the tower.
Yeah, you sure it's not a box?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's good. Yo, Bibu.
Somebody's healing below me. Is that you?
I just. Not me.
Oh my goodness, blueberry just spawned in.
Listen, can we?
Oh,
Can
no.
we? I got the explosive rifle. Can we still keep
Yo!
fishing?
If you find holes, I don't see any right now.
Okay.
You need help, Clover?
Nope. I don't know what the fuck just happened to me.
Oops.
I was looting.
On stream. On stream.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was looting up. The blueberry's chest just spawned and I got shot at.
There's still somebody up there. I see him building at the top of the tower. He's all the way up.
Yeah. There's a guy who lives with me though.
In there?
Up top in the middle.
Yep, they are absolutely over there. Absolutely over there, bro. Somebody in front. Somebody in front to the left. Hover, they went up. Oh, I just hit him for 42 white. 42 white.
I'm blowing.
He's low, he's low. He's low, he's low. Somebody behind me also?
Dead?
I got hit. There's a guy in storm I didn't see.
Oh, no. Be careful, guys. There's people over here.
I'm dead. It's just over. There's a guy coming in from storm and he got me. I didn't see him.
Well, Hover's got heals still, so. Mark's in the house. Mark says, hello, gentlemen. How are we doing today? What's going on? I just hit light button. Don't forget to put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Money, 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 money. Yes, sir. Like, sub, all that stuff. Yes, sir, Mark. Yes, sir. It's all about the money, 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 money. And we're in end game right now, watching Hover. Get us a dub for the community. Watch how good Hover is, guys.
Yeah, there's a guy right there.
We're going to play height. Back here.
Yeah, that's a good call.
Oh.
They're thinking for the follow.
Hey, guys, if you want to watch Hover, he's also on Twitch. Hover CR7 on Twitch, guys.
He's now in 7 org.
He's where?
7 org.
Good.
Oh, yeah? Let's go. I know you guys have been doing a lot of ranked, right? Snow.
No, I haven't really been playing. I kind of gave up on the game, to be honest.
Did you?
Hover keeps asking me to play, and so I said I'd play.
Okay. Well, Hover's definitely been doing a rank, I'm sure.
He's cooking.
Yeah. Probably hit a couple of tournaments too, I guess, right?
He does it himself.
Oh my gosh.
47 health. Is that the play? Barrels.
There you go.
Perfect.
They're pushing. They must be up top.
Knock him down? I don't know if he's connected, I guess. Next
No,
zone's
I'm
kind of far.
I'm just playing here for a little bit. There's like,
Yeah.
I'm not gonna play. Yeah. There's still a lot of teams left. Playing fish.
When we load into the next game, or remind me to tell you about some of the AI scripts that I'm building that I mean, I know you're probably using some, but I don't know what you're using, but I can tell you what I've done that's been helpful.
Yeah, sure, absolutely. Absolutely.
This wall will be on.
5 enemies, guys. Hover has clutched harder stuff than this, so I believe in Hover. Are they still up there?
There.
Oh. Nice! Nice! How the heck did he get himself up again like that? Did he like hit one of those res things? I don't think that's.
No, you're trying to zipline up.
You could go up even if you're knocked?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Mhm.
Is that new?
Yeah, it doesn't make any
Yeah,
sense. It doesn't make any sense. It's like getting into a car.
Huh. Let's go. Whew.
Good builds.
Yeah, baby! Nice.
Good, they're quite a distraction for a little bit.
1v1v1? Yep, 1v1v1, bro.
25 builds. That'll help.
Nice refresh. Oh, third place, boys. Let's give it to Hover, man. What a nice run. Good try, man. Good try. All right, let me just read the chat a little bit here. Let's see. What we got over there. Let's see. Hope you all doing well, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So, just some quick conversation on NEXR as I ready up. Let's take a look at NEXR real quick. NEXR. It closed up 27% in after hours. It is a 653 float stock. So the float is very, very low, guys. 11 million shares exchanged hands on Friday. 11 million shares exchanged hands, and it formed a cup and handle, and it is trying to break the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated at $1.56. $1.56 is where the resistance is. It's got to break at it. We have a top tail green right there. RSI is starting to move up, which is a bullish signal. We want it to go into the overbought area, and we want to see the volume candles start to push up. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so we have some other key levels of support and resistance for NEXR. NEXR, multi-day runner, guys, multi-day runner, and it has resistance not only at the VWAP but also the Fibonacci. Same level. Next resistance area at 167. The Fibonacci at the VWAP is 158, $1.58, and then of course support is at $1.50, and if it doesn't hold there, we're looking at $1.36, guys. That is NEXR on the Monday watch list. I got to tell you, it's so much more fun playing with a trio or a squad. And I would say trio's probably better, right?
I haven't played squads for this game, this mode, so I don't know. I mean, solo's tough because I mean we are getting third party left and right, and solos you're gonna get the same.
Yeah. I tell you what, I like solos, but if I could play trio or squads, I'm all over that.
All right, so let me share this with you. So I use Cloud Code a lot.
Okay.
And I connected it to my TradingView desktop.
Okay.
And I told it to basically design scripts for me.
Okay.
Based on how I trade, and it did a pretty good job. Basically looking for like, buy sell, like whatever, but you can get alerts and stuff too. And then I used that same script that it made to create Python scripts so that I can basically do scanners, and it's connected to my broker, so it can.
Are you using an API? Are you using an API key to do this?
Yeah, from my broker, correct.
Okay, got it. That sounds pretty awesome.
And I can get gamma levels.
Oh wow!
Which is really local, and it's my computer scans for every 5 minutes, so that I might get a little faster. I don't know.
Now you're dealing with primarily medium cap stocks, right?
I'll do anything. I'll trade anything, man. I kind of joke, but anything with a candle, I'll trade.
Okay. Excellent. So you've had success with it, basically.
Yeah.
Snow, I got 2 minis for you.
I might be dead. Shoot.
Oh.
No, you're Josh. No, you're chilling. Oh.
Yeah. He landed here.
Just stay back. I'm gonna try to help Snow.
All right. I'm just gonna get myself situated here and jump in with you.
So yeah, basically I can run the Python script that has all that information, and then I can get things that are like near technical levels that I look for. So like I don't even have to. I don't have to go through and type in say, Netflix, Microsoft, Tesla. I mean, it could be like a small cap too, like the ones you mentioned. But I don't have many of those probably on the list. Basically, I have most of the small caps, large caps that it goes through. And I tell you, it makes my life so much easier. And all I would basically do is get on Cloud Code and say, hey, this is what I want to do, and this is what I want to create.
Those AIs are incredible. Those agents, they're pretty good.
Yeah, like 2 years ago they couldn't add 2 + 2, and now it's ridiculous.
It's a different story now.
And then the other thing that I found helpful that I just found out a couple of days ago through a buddy of mine who has a similar interest or passion.
Oh, I'm getting shot at.
Here, I'll let you fight this out.
Where are they?
I think he's on that building by Hubbard.
Okay.
Yeah, that is just on the fucking map because he's going through the cement. That.
Well, that's not gonna work for him. Right?
Yeah, I built a bunch of scripts that way, but he introduced me to Hermes agents.
That's pretty awesome, dude.
Yeah, I don't know if you know, like it was new to me because there's so many that are popping up. But Hermes.
I think we got an enemy here. We got an enemy.
Oh, they got the boat. Yeah.
41 blue white. Dead.
Nice.
Dead.
You have to hold it.
So the nice thing about Hermes agent is you might have to fund it a little bit after you install it, like give it some money. But they have some free.
Coach, you could get the blue. I was just taking the AR.
Nice.
They have free AI models that you can use that are they're not horrible. They're not the best, but they're free. So for like some basic tasks, and so what I'll do is often I'll use one of the free agents on Hermes, and then I'll get feedback on something I'm building on code, and they'll talk back and forth. And I told them exactly what to do. They have like rules for each other.
Nice.
And Hermes, this is the nice thing about Hermes. It's run on your computer. It can be private if you want it to be, depending on how you use it and have it set up. But it actually learns basically what you want to do. Like it's a little different than the other AI models. They want to learn, but they're not necessarily learning off of you.
Right.
But it's learning off of you.
That sounds pretty awesome, man.
Yeah. So anyways, it's been a game changer for me.
I gotta check that out.
Since April, I'm at 88% trading, like whatever. What is it? It was net risk reward. 88%. Like my trades have been successful.
Wow, that's a big improvement.
Which usually it's around 60-65.
That's a huge improvement, right?
20% bump.
Wow.
I mean, we'll see. That said, keep in mind, the last couple of months, anybody and their mother could have nailed a good trade too.
Yeah.
So time will tell. But it did my algos did alert me that there could be some major sell-offs before it happened. I have to lighten up my position too. Because I have it like also review market.
Man.
Wow.
I'm gonna try to go and res you guys, but it looks like there's fighting going on over here. Let me see if I can find a place to go. Let me see where.
Right there, yeah, that way. On my mark, it's barely in storm, but that might be the best.
I've got medkits.
Alright. Anyways, that's my TED talk, but
Alright, that sounds good, man. Thank you for letting me know about that. Appreciate it.
Yeah, and if you have any questions, I don't know where you're at, and 'cause everybody's on different levels, but
well, we use script that we've written, and agents as well that we created. So we've got a lot of the stuff already done, but hey, I'm always looking for new stuff, you know?
Yeah, you never know.
Yeah, exactly.
Another thing that I've done too, like I have access to...
Alex is in the house! Oh, wait a minute, why did it do that?
I have access to unusual whales, data.
Yeah. A lot of people use it.
Discord, but it's come through a Discord channel, and I have agents scan that for me.
Oh, really? So you're buying a lot of you're doing a lot of options type of trading?
Yeah, I probably about 20% options. And then
I got minis over here for you boys, right over here. Yeah, most of the stuff that I do is parabolic small cap. Alex is in the house. What's up, Alex? Yo. I almost missed it. Was sanding down, cleaning up the deck for some paint. Yeah, we're going longer today, guys. We're gonna be on for a while. We're gonna go over a lot of stocks. We're gonna play a lot of Fortnite. Just gonna relax and chill out. And we're playing with my buddies right now.
No way
My
you
buddies,
want to put some
Hover
music
and
in,
Snow.
Okay, man.
So get a little bit of trio action going on, boys. Oh, I've got the explosive AR, by the way. So if we can find...
Oh yes, we just need to. I have one too, and I just haven't. found
Alex
that.
just said, get that dub for us. Let's go. Getting a dub for the community, ladies and gentlemen. That's what we're going to try to do.
You need to get that umbrella if you haven't.
Man, there's a lot of water, but I don't see a lot of fishing holes.
Yeah, there's some more water over here. Oh, people are fighting right here though. I feel like they really nerfed the visual audio, which is not a bad thing in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't see the visual audio that much, to be honest with you, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, when it started, like, I feel like you'd hear people across the map, but it's still excessive.
So I've been playing a little bit of the no build because a lot of people like to play it. I mean, it's okay, you know. It's okay. I prefer the build. I have to be honest with you, but I know a lot of people prefer no build.
At my age, no build is easier. I just don't have the reflexes that I used to, and so that's the only reason why I kind of prefer it. But Hover likes.
I tell you, you play fine, man. You know.
I appreciate it, dude. I'm just way past my prime.
You know what? I've seen you really kick some butt, so I'm not gonna say anything other than that.
I have my moments, so but and that's bad moments too, but we all do.
Yeah. I'm dropping some med kits here.
I need a shotgun.
Yeah, I don't have one either. I have a pistol. You know, get I like those.
After the break, we're going to talk about MMA, a stock ticker symbol MMA. Obviously, it's a it's a martial arts, right? Mixed martial arts stock. I'm pretty sure. MMA.
Over here.
Heavy floated stock. We're going to talk about
They're
it.
putting the guy. There's a guy up top putting a bot.
I see the bot in the distance.
Yeah, and there's a guy on top who's fighting him.
Yes.
Hey, Albert, do you want the shot? I found a shotgun for it.
Yeah, this is where I died.
Yeah, like where did they listen and they nerfed the fishing hole already?
No. Probably not.
I got max wood over here. It's good to have wood. It's good to have wood. I'm talking about max wood doubles. Relax, buddy. Relax, buddy. Get your mind out of the gutter. I taught you better than that. Never mind. Yeah, maybe not.
I see some fishing holes I'm going to. Oh, over here.
Oh, nice.
Oh shoot! Nope, no, I'm not. There's somebody there.
Enemies? I'm coming.
Yeah.
You need help? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm on my way.
Backing up.
Well, I don't have shotgun ammo.
I have 7. I can. I don't know.
Where are they?
I can't even split it.
Can you mark where they're at?
The house. They're at the
Yo,
house.
why is it dirty?
There's somewhere in this house. I didn't see exactly where. I think they're telling us where they're at now.
Yeah, I'm just gonna give them a couple of love taps, you know? Never hurts, right? Never hurts.
They're fishing. They're fishing over there. Wait, they got wiped? No.
60 white, 60 white.
Coming.
Still there?
Cover's not
Moving?
with us, I just realized.
And he gets finished.
They're still back there, boys.
Yeah.
They're coming in here. They're building up, they're building up.
One of them going down.
Oh, on me, boys.
35 cracked.
Got one?
Oh, he just eliminated me. Okay, he's. There's
I
one
got
behind
one,
the building that's
but,
light.
I got one, but the
Nice.
they're reviving right now on my car.
1v1. Nice. Nice.
This guy knocked earlier. I don't know if you did.
Yeah! GG's, bro. Way to go.
Oh no.
Ooh, another one.
Wait, there's more.
There's some music in the background, so I'm gonna have to mute Hover's music.
Oh yeah, you don't want to.
Yeah.
You get the marketing thing, you can throw.
Oh, so unfortunate. So
Yeah,
unfortunate.
GG. Nice try, nice try.
GG's, yeah. That was a pretty good one, though. Pretty good one, fellas. All right, real quick, MMA. MMA, let's pull it up. Let's take a look at the chart real quick as we get ready for the next match.
You know what? Yeah, he's gonna get off. I'm getting off too. I've been playing for a few hours.
Oh, you guys getting off? Okay, boys. Listen, great playing.
It was great catching up with you. I'm gonna tune into your stream though.
All right, yeah, that'd be great. Go ahead, Coach Nick Money,
Peace
Coach
out,
Nick
guys.
Money on YouTube. Right?
All right.
All right,
good.
great.
See
Thank you
guys
very much, boys. Bye, bye,
then. My
Hover.
pleasure.
Bye, bye, boys. All right, all right. Let's go ahead and take a look at MMA. Let's go take a look at MMA. Let's take a look at it, boys. MMA, Mixed Martial Arts Group Limited. Mixed Martial Arts Group Limited. It is a 21 million float stock, moving on very light volume. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. 21 million is the float, so it's a heavy float, but it was up 10% in after hours. It was up 10% in after hours on very light volume. 122,000 shares, 122,000 shares. This stock doesn't really typically run that well, but you can see that the RSI is trying to move up, and it's got this top tail over here. I mean, I'm not loving it, but we'll keep an eye on it. MMA, needs to really break 68 cents. MMA needs to break 68 cents. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get myself something to drink. I'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, right back. Okay, gang, I'm back. I'm back. All right, all right, all right. Alex said, Bobo Beeps, you still here? I know Mark is here. Bobo Beeps is, I'm pretty sure is around. I'm pretty sure he's around. I'm sure Mark's around. Guys, put in the chat what stocks you guys are looking at. We'll go ahead and chart them up. Let me know what you guys are looking at. Let me know what you guys are looking at. Let me see if this MMA stock has any news. Let's see. Let's check it out. MMA, let's see. Nah, nothing recent. Nothing recent. Nothing recent on it. No, not seeing anything recent. So we'll see what happens with this stock. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at another stock. This one was up 32% in after hours on Friday. Ticker symbol GRAN, GRAN, GRAN. Alex said, check my last comment, coach. Did I miss one? Did I miss one? Let me see. Hold on. Oh, yeah, I almost missed it. It was sounding. Get the dub for us. Bobo Beeps. I don't see it. Did I miss a comment? Hold on. Alex, I don't see any other comments other than the ones I just read. Maybe it's just not showing up for me. Can you, if you don't mind, can you copy and paste it so I can see it a second time? Because I don't see anything other than what I already read. If for some reason it's not showing up. Okay, so GRAN, what is this, a Chinese stock? Let's see, Hong Kong, okay. All right, Hong Kong. So what do we got going on with it? Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what's going on. It's sub VWAP. It's got to get above the volume weighted average. It was up 32% in after hours. It's a 4 million float stock, so it's got a relatively low float, but it only had 4 million in volume, and it's kind of like it's got to break this downtrend right now. It's on a downtrend that it needs to break, and it needs to get above the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Let's get it. Volume weighted average is $1.55, guys, 155. So it needs to get above 155. We could see that the RSI is dipping downward, and of course it was after hours, moving in after hours, and you could see that the volume obviously dipped in after hours. That's pretty common. Let's take a look at what the float looks like. Again, 4.71 million is the float. 4.71 million is the float. Volume 4 million, and it's hovering at around $1.35, $1.36, and it's doing what a lot of these Hong Kong Chinese stocks do, which is moving on very light volume. It's over the $1 mark, right? It's over the $1 mark, so it doesn't have that pressure that it has to get over $1. It's already there, so we'll see what happens with it. Alex said, This is my favorite show. It covers mostly what I like to trade, continuations and or as I like to call them, post-pump but pre-parabolic. I got a few entries waiting for Monday on devs and STI. Yo, they both went bonkers, bro. Bonkers. And STI, dude, STI was redonkulous. Let's pull that up because that stock is absolutely cray, bro. Look at this move, bro. Look at this. Hold on. Please hold. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go with the highest point and the lowest point. Absolutely insane. $57.52. And where did it start? Take a look at where it started, guys. $4 and change. $4 and change. Bobby says, "Yep, still here. Had to get to a stoplight to respond." Oh, let's go, bro. You're listening to the show on your phone, huh? All right, let's go, baby. How about that Hover, huh? And Snow. They're both pretty decent players, but that guy Hover, he's something else, isn't he? He is something else. Young fella too, and he's getting interested in stocks. I love that. I wish that somebody had talked to me about stocks when I was younger. DVL moms, right? Right? Because it's a way of life, man. It's a way of life. I'm just saying. Alex said, "Yeah, it was crazy. I got in for a $25 to $45 overnight trade on it." Let's go, bro. Let's go. Let's see if there's any news. I don't remember exactly what the catalyst was. Hold on a second. Let's take a look at it over here. It had news on what was it? Insider buying, it looks like. Nope, wrong stock. Shares halted on circuit. No. Scroll up, let me see. Scroll up. It's just hard. Scroll down. I'm looking for STI. You're going too fast. All right. After the company announced patience in patent. Okay, it's got lithium metal patents. That was the catalyst on. Scroll up, please. The 5th of June, June 5th. So lithium catalysts, and of course with the batteries and all this other stuff, that was what I guess made the stock push its way up. Let's go ahead and put the low over here. This is where the low was, so it moved like crazy. Let's see. Alex said, "I think with space, anything with space right now is money." Dude, right? With SpaceX going IPO, all the sympathy plays, absolutely cray, bro. Absolutely cray. So it's trying to get above VWAP again. Okay, above VWAP again. Hold on one second. Let's move it over here. Let's give it a Fibonacci. Why not? It don't cost nothing to do a little Fibonacci on it, you know? Let's give it a Fibonacci right there. Boom. Right there. There goes the Fibonacci. There you go. All right, so it's got to get above the VWAP. The VWAP is about 37.45. Next resistance area would be at the first Fibonacci level at around $40.85, give or take, and it's holding support above the Fibonacci of 32 and change, and the RSI is going in the right direction. It is moving upward. It looks kind of thick, so it kind of suggests that it's being heavily traded on both ways, which makes sense. It absolutely makes sense because you could see it has pulled back quite a bit, and you could also see that there are top tails, and you know that I don't like top tails. I'm not a top tail kind of guy. Now, I'm all about the bottom tails, baby. I like these kind of tails right over here, bro. Right over here. This is what I'm looking for right there, the bottom tails. Oh, wait a minute. Stewie. Stickman is in the house. DBO Moms, can you give the community a hey? There you go. Let's go. We got the secret weapon in the house. The Serengeti Specialist is here. And make sure you got your notifications on YouTube at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, because she partners up with my illustrious co-host, the one and only DBO Nick's in the house, the one and only, the Rainmaker, and of course she is the secret weapon. We call her the Huntress of all things parabolic, the one, the only, the Serengeti Specialist. She hangs out in the tall weeds in the Serengeti. It doesn't matter that it's hot. Doesn't matter. She's all about the Banger Nation. She pounces on all the parabolic stocks, crouches down with a little bushy tail, shakes her little bushy tail, gets ready to pounce on the stock, grabs it by the scruff of its neck and brings it in so that the Banger Nation can feed at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Pre-market into open. They are chasing all the parabolic plays on Microcap Mornings. So make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney.
At CoachNickMoney.
At CoachNickMoney. And of course, you know that Power Play is Monday through Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, getting ready for Power Hour and getting some dubs for the community in Fortnite. Why not? Why not? It don't cost nothing. It don't cost nothing, I tell
Who
you.
needs his hat?
And then, of course, we got the Saturday weekend edition where we go over our watch list. And, you know, when I'm feeling kind of ornery, DBL Bombs, you know, I don't mind staying for a while with the peoples, you know? With the peoples, you know? Yeah, yeah.
Right.
And we go over a bunch of stocks and we get dubs with the community and all that stuff. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Alex said, "Where's this guy Doubles at? He bailed on our awesome community for some whack friends today. I feel like no, he's having lunch. He's having lunch. He's been on since I started.
It's chow time.
Yeah, it's chow time. Doubles is having chow time. You know, and I need to have a little bit of a break because he was being a little bit of DBL dastardly today. He was definitely a little dastardly, a little bit. Anyway, with STI, we want to see it break the resistance area of the volume weighted average at 37.45, 37.45, and of course we got the stock when it was in the $4 range. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The other stock that you're working with is DEVS, DEVS. Let's take a look at DEVS. Let's see what's going on with it. Let's take a look at what is going on with it. Okay, so this stock has been running pretty rampant for quite a while. This stock does have the pressure of having to get to $1, $1. Let's go ahead and put that level over there. It's got to get to the $1 mark. Right now, the stock is at 62 cents. But if we crunch it up, let's crunch it up and take a look at this. The stock has been generally trending upward, and it has been a social media darling. Bubble says, howdy, moms. Give Bubble Beeps a howdy and maybe a hey, will ya?
Howdy, hey!
Oh my gracious, that's sharp. Ain't that sharp? That's sharp. It's like cheddar cheese. I'm just saying. Holy. Woo! Go ahead. Hello, Bobo.
Hello,
Let's
Bobo.
go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it done. All right. So the situation with this particular stock is it is trending. It's flirting with the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average is at 61 cents. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Let's get it. And let's put it at 61 cents. There is your there. And you know what it's kind of doing? I mean, it's kind of doing almost a flat top breakout. Look. If I do it, if I crunch it up like this, and if I move it over here, hold on, please hold. If we crunch it up a little bit, right there. There we go. Look at that. And let's make this in yellow so it stands out a little bit. Hold on. Please hold. Please hold. Could this be a flat top breakout? I mean, I'm probably being a little bit too optimistic, all right? But it is trending with higher lows. I need it to break out with a higher high. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated over here. We want it to do one of these joints right there and break that $1 mark because it does have that pressure of meeting the minimum bid requirement of $1. This is a NASDAQ stock, so we want it to hit that $1 mark. And if you're making money with it, my boy Alex, make a lot of money. Money. TVO moms, you're supposed to say money. Come on, you're slipping, mama. You're slipping. Okay, let's try it again. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Money. Oh, she sings. That girl can sing. She got some lungs on her. She's got some pipes on her. And I want you to get some bricks as well, fellas. Make a lot of bricks. Come on now. Bricks. Okay, let's go take a look at a couple of other stonks. So another stock that made some noise, it closed up 13%. It gave a lot of money back. This is also another stock that's sub-dollar, okay, is SMTK. Let's take a look at it, okay? So this stock is 43 cents. That's what it closed at. You could see that it is being heavily affected by buyers and sellers fighting over it. Look at what this RSI looks like. Look at how thick it is, and look at how the RSI is very much smack in the middle. Look at that. Okay, so there's no clear winner with this particular stock right now. It's a heavier floated stock, but again, that's not that big of a deal because the price of the stock is only 43 cents, right? So as far as the float is concerned, the float, I'm just going to put FLT like that, float. The float is 17 million, okay? So 17M. And the volume was pretty significant on Friday. It had 158 million shares. So the rotation was almost 10x on the stock. So it had a lot of volume, and you could see the price spike. But there wasn't enough conviction. Look at how many top tails there are over here. Look at how many top tails. Look at this. You see them? And I don't like the top tails. I got to be honest with you, folks. I don't have an affinity for the top tails. I'm all about the bottom tails. I'm all about them. DBL moms, you know me for years. You know I'm about the bottom tails. You know that. You know. Tell the folks, will you? Tell them. Am I about the bottom tails? Just say yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He's about the bottom tails.
I'm about the bottom tails. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, let's get the Fibonacci retracement up. Let's go ahead and retrace this, and boom, right there. First things first, you could see that the Fibonacci and the VWAP are right around the same level at around roughly 53 cents. Okay, so the price action needs to get above the Fibonacci level and the VWAP. So there's going to be quite a bit of resistance over here. We need to see a clean signal from the RSI pushing upward to show us that the stock is ready to push up and try to test that $1 mark, and we're going to need to have volume to do that. So we'll see what happens with it. It did have a pretty decent run on Friday before it started to really pull back hard. Not an easy stock to trade, but there it is. It's there. I'm just saying. Like that, bro. Like that. I'm getting some nectar of the gods, DBL moms. I gotta have it. So SMTK needs to break 53 cent VWAP. Needs to break 53 cent VWAP. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 400 folks. We're almost at 400 folks. Yeah. It's 4 o'clock Eastern. We've been at it since 1:30 Eastern, and we're still going to go. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling ornery, DBL moms. I'm feeling ornery. I'm not going to lie to you. I am. Quick thing before we continue with the show. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it's full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list that almost always has 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that go parabolic. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, which you're actually looking at right now. You'll be able to also check out all the news search features that we have on top of that. A lot of powerful tools. Pre-market scanners, regular hour scanners, and after-hour scanners. Float and volume catalyst contexts are built right into the scanners, and you'll see our ticker tape scanner, which was custom built by myself and DBL Nicks to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. It's not noise. It's structure. We're all about structure. If that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And when you come in, let us know that you saw us on the stream. I love that. I love hearing about that. Right, DBL moms? We love it. We love it. We don't like it. We love it, I tell you. Love it. Also, we have another deal, DBL moms. You know about the deal. You know about it. Okay, we have the quarterly package that's available where people can get a nice big discount on their subscription, and they can opt for the 3-month package that bills quarterly. So go ahead and take advantage of that as well. Why not? I tell you. DBL moms, you know that Bitcoin, wow, it lost over 50% of its value.
Whoa.
Isn't that crazy?
Crazy.
Bitcoin lost over 50, BTC dropped over 50% of its value in the past, I guess it's in the past year. Is it time to buy the dip? What do you guys think? Is it time to buy the dip? Is it time to buy the dip? All right, all right, all right. All right, let's go get a dub for the community. I think Alex said something here. You absolutely are not being too optimistic. I got quite a few shares, so I hope it goes up to $1. I was watching 55 cents to hold during Friday's run. Okay, okay. I think he's talking about SMTK. I know there's a lot of people on social media talking about it. Now the question is, will big money get behind it and push it up? Push it. Push it good. Dun, 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 Hold on. Let's dance. What? What? Okay, time to get a dub. Time to get a dub for the community. I'm not used to the new season, I'm not. But I learned a couple of tricks from my buddies. They told me that if you take the explosive AR and shoot it into the fishing holes, you can get a Midas fish and convert all your loot to gold. So that's something that's worthwhile. That's something that's worthwhile. Yeah, DBL Moms. I'm telling you. Alex said, yeah, all the original Bitcoin miners have been selling and going broke. They thought they had endless money. One of the people had almost $500 million in it, and he sold around 70,000. When it hit 70,000, oh wow, wow.
Oh jeez.
I mean, it's volatile. You know, it is volatile. So my boys land here. This is where they land. I was landing here, but this is a little bit more contested. I'm gonna land here. I think it's an even better drop, guys. I think this is an even better drop in solos. I'm so glad that I played with Snow and with Hover, because I got the inside scoop without having to figure it out myself. You know what I mean, guys? You know what I'm talking about? The old scooperoo. Those lobbies were kind of frisky, DBL Moms, because Hover is like a pretty doggone good player, you know. So we got elevated a little bit. I wonder what's going to happen now with my solo match. I hope it doesn't get too redonkulous. Alex, do you think it's gonna break 70 anytime soon? What's your take on it? Do you play with Bitcoin or no? Let me know. I wanna know. I feel like I should push these guys, you know? What do you think, DBL Mom? Should I push them?
Yeah, why not?
I feel ornery. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel a little ornery. And I got shield too. Look at that. Look at that. I thought I saw somebody over there. Let me do it. Let me see if I can get an AR first. That would be kind of nice, right? An AR would work too. Let's see. AR? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
No AR. What is this? Pulsar scanner. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Oh wow, they got boats. DBL Mom, they got boats. Hello. Hello. They got boats, mommy. The boats. They got boats. How juicy is that, bruh? They got the boats now. Let's go, baby. That's good to know. I didn't know they had boats in the game. They brought the boats back. Ooh. All right. Come on. Could have sworn I saw somebody over here. Are they hiding? Are they loitering? Are they loitering? That's the question. Are they loitering? Oh, this is what I needed. A rifle. I needed a rifle, but this is not the... Oh, he's right there. Poor fella! You stinky, bro. Get that palm olive in your bathtub. Come on now. You gotta clean yourself up because you stinky at Fortnite, bro. You stinky, bro. Come on, bro. Oh my gracious. Did you see that, DBL Moms? I violated him, bro. I violated him a little bit.
Who disciplined
Little violation there. I'm gonna get a summon. I'm gonna get a summon because I violated them. You know, I violated them. All right, we need that explosive weapon. I don't know where it's at. I don't know where it's at. Oh, but you know what? They got the. Yo, you know what? DBL moms, they got. They do have. Oh, this is a great spot. I love this spot. You know, there's the boat that can blow things up too. But you know what? All right. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Oh, look at this! Look at this! Look. Oh, fishing spots, DBO mom. I need that explosive rifle. I need the explosive rifle, though. So far, no luck. So far, no luck. It looks like a rifle that explodes, Mama. Yeah, yeesh, yeesh. It looks like an explosive rifle. Because it goes boom. It goes boom, Mama. Yeah, it goes boom, Mama. Yes, it goes boom. It goes boom. If I find it, I'll let you know. Ooh, one guy used this on me and messed me up in one game. Up, up, up. This is not it. That's not the rifle. That's not the one. That's not the one. Oh, look, they got the. They do have the boat over here, though. Let me see if the boat. Let me see if the boat can do it. Let me see. Because I mean, the explosive rifle does it. Why not the boat? The boat can shoot also, if I remember correctly. Right? I remember that was like season 2. Yeah, it has the ability to shoot. Look at that. It does. It does. It does. It does. It has the reticle, so it's gotta. You gotta be able to use it to blow things up. Storm is coming though. Let's see, right over there. See, right over here. No, 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 right there. All right, let's see. No, I don't think it has what I need. Nah, nah, it didn't give it to me. It did not give it to me. Let's do that though. All right. Come on, back it up, back it up. Get it in, come on, get it in, Come on, more fishing holes, come on, more fishing holes. Come on, boys, we need some fishing holes over here. I'm going fishing. I just want some fish. DBL moms, I want some fish. Nah, I want the fish that turns everything gold. That's what I want. Right over here. Look at that. Right there. Right there. Yes or no? Yes or no? Nope. Nah. Nah. Didn't give me the fish that I want. Oh, enemy! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's right there. Bye, fool! Bye, fool! These fools trying to shoot the coach. What's wrong with them? Nah, I ain't having none of that, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, we ain't having none of that. Nah. Right, DBL moms? We ain't having none of that. This reminds me a little bit of that season 3. Remember that season 3? You watched it, right? You watched when I was playing, right? Yes, sir. Nobody here. I hear gunfire, but I don't know. Right there. Where's the beef? Where is it, guys? Where are they? I'm still not used to this map. You know, DBL moms, I'm not used to the map. I'm really not. I need mats. I'm gonna keep moving in. Keep moving in is what I say. When in doubt. My ping is kind of messed up too. Yeah, a little bit. How am I doing with ammo? I'm not doing too well with ammo. Ooh, look at that. Look at that fella. Alright, we got some mobility. Look. We got some mobility, I tell you. Little mobility. Ooh. Oh! Holy Toledo. Did you see that, mama? Alright, here we go. Let's get up there. Let's get up. Alright, guys. I gotta get mats, Mom. Yep. Need mats. Need mats. Need some mats, I tell ya. Need mats. Alright. How many enemies? Still 13 enemies, DBL moms. Alright. Where's the entrance? Over here? Yeah. There we go. Alright. Alright. We're going to talk about, you know what stock we're going to talk about in a little while? I want to talk about AIDX. Remind me to talk about AIDX. AIDX went up 12% in after hours on Friday. 12%. AIDX went up 12% in after hours. We got an enemy over here. Woo-wee! I gotta get used to these shoes. They're kind of redonkulous a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
They're a little redonkulous. They're very powerful. They're very powerful, I tell you.
Oh my.
Did you see?
They're like
It's really powerful. I'm not used to it completely. Not used to it, DBL moms. Not used to it. It's a new mobility. All right. And I got the gold ones. I look good in the gold ones, don't I, mama? I look pretty. Huh. Gold brings out the color of my eyes, girlfriend. I'm just saying. Huh. 2 snaps up. Let's go. Huh. Huh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where is this guy? He's in the house. Alright, we're just gonna keep moving. We're gonna just keep moving and grooving. Look at that, DBL moms. Look. Huh? How pretty do I look? With my little gold shoes, my little booties. I tell you. My jabooties. I'm wearing my jabooties, DBL moms. My jabooties. I gotta take height. That's what I want. I want height. Right? Look at that. 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 Look at how pretty I am in these things. Whoa! Whoa! There you go. And there's a launch pad over here. Everything is good, bro. Yeah, launch pad. Look at look. See, I gotta get used to that. See, I slid a little bit. Man, it's a little overpowered with the slide. I'm not gonna lie to you. No, this is not gonna let me do it. It's not gonna let me do it. Let's see if we can see any enemies. Anybody? There's a lot of zip lines over here, though. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like the zip lines. Too many ways for people to come up here. But there's a launch pad everywhere. Look at this. Don't you like that, DB Moms? That launch pad, though. That tells you. Alright. I wish I had a little more AR ammo. Alright, what's going on over here? We got 7 scoundrels left. 7 DBO Moms, 7 of the little rotten skunks still in the game. 7. I don't see them, so I'm telling you, I don't see them. I don't see them. I'm gonna lay low. I'm gonna relax a little. Chill, you know?
Yep.
I don't think I'm gonna have zone. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. I haven't seen anybody in a hot minute. I'll tell you that much. You see anybody, DB almost?
Not offhand.
No, me neither. Me neither. I don't see nobody. No mats. Okay, no mats. Six enemies. 6 enemies. 6 of them. 6 of them, I tell ya. Six enemies. What stuff did we say we're going to talk about?
AIDX.
AIDX, right? Oh, look at that. I don't even have to move that far. I don't even have to move that far. Am I in zone up here? Nah. Am I? Holy, I am. I'm still in zone. Alright, bet. I'll stay here. Why not? Let me mat up and, you know, mat up, you know what I mean? Why not? We're still in zone. We are still in zone, folks. Mat up. Why not? And the thing is, I got these boots so I could slide off the top. Oh no 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 no! Not like that, no. But just like that. That was a mistake. We don't want to do that. No more. I gotta be careful, man. I gotta be careful. I'm not used to these things. They're dangerous, and I don't have the license for them, bro. I gotta be careful. I don't have a license for these fellas. I almost broke my Djibouti. Oh no, we don't want the Djibouti to be broken. Nah, we don't want none of that. We don't want none of that. Alright, what's going on over here? So I'm wide open though. That's the only thing that's not good. You know? I'm a little wide open over here. That's the only problem. I gotta go. I gotta go, DBO Moms. I gotta go. Let's get some more mats before we go. Oh boy. I need some good mats. But I gotta get out of here. Look at the storm. Look at the storm. I gotta go. 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 I gotta go a long way too. 4 enemies. Ladies and gentlemen, 4 enemies. 4 enemies. Alright. Alright. Oh, look at the bananas! The banana! The banana peely! Oh, so cute! So cute! They got a lot of cute stuff, man. They had Bugs Bunny. They got the bananas. Banana. Banana. Enemies right there. Look at that. Oh, that's a bot. That's a bot. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. 23 blue. 23 blue. 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 Blue, blue, blue. I'm so blue. I'm a blue. I'm a blue. I'm a blue, 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 blue. I'm still in zone. That was not good. That didn't go well. That didn't go well. I was concerned that was going to happen too. Oh my God! Chaos! Chaos! I tell you! I tell you what, it's kind of a fun match, though.
Yeah.
Get out of here, bro. Get out of here. You can't sing. You stinky, stinky.
No, no.
You stinky, stinky. Hold me back, mama. Hold me back. Hold me back. All right, we're gonna go talk about some stocks right now. Let's go talk about some stocks.
Got it.
Let's see. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what Alex said. Alex said some stuff over here. Let's see. Let's see.
Stop. Yeah, you did.
Alex said yes. Talking about Bitcoin, right? Yeah. My question was, do you think it's going to go up to 70 anytime soon? He said yes, but not in a full share size. Things so expensive. I think it will go back to 100K. A lot of companies continue to convert to digital currency, and I kind of don't. Appeal any of it with it being down. Yeah, I don't think it's done. I definitely don't think it's done. But I think you gotta be able to weather that kind of storm. Bitcoin, you gotta be able to weather the storm 100%. Let's take a look at ticker AIDX. Let's take a look at ticker AIDX. AIDX, AIDX. Let's take a look at it. Right, let's see. AIDX. Let's see. Does it have any news? It had news. No, that's the wrong ticker. Looking at the wrong ticker. June 1st, it had something. Looks like it was some insider buying on June 1st. Let's see. Hold on. Please hold. Scroll down. Right there. Let's see what's and then they had some news on the 27th of May. Nothing recent. Cancer early detection. Blood test. Stop moving it. Blood test selected as part of firefighter cancer screening initiative for state of Vermont in partnership with National Diagnostic Services. But that was May 27th, so there's not really any news with this particular ticker. No. and it looks like it's just really going. It's on this horrible downtrend, right? But it did go up a little bit at the close. So let's go ahead and give it. That's not the one I want. That's not the one I want. I want this one. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I want this one right here. It's got to break this downtrend. I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. But it has to get over $1. So that you got that. But look at how thickly traded it is. DBL moms, look at this. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at how heavy.
Wow.
How heavy the RSI is, right?
Wow.
And it's pretty much consolidating smack in the middle. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. No, no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. We'll see what happens. Maybe if we get some volume, and if the Knicks ain't playing basketball. By the way, the Knicks are playing against the Spurs, aren't they? They are. They are. They're playing against us. I think it's for the championships. I think so. Yeah. The Knicks are. I'm not a basketball guy. I don't know. Does anybody know if the Knicks are playing basketball? Because I think they're playing against the San Antonio Spurs.
Yeah, I know.
That's what I heard.
I think they should be in it. I just don't know who they're playing.
That's what I heard. I might be wrong, but that's what I heard. You heard the same thing?
I heard they were definitely in the running.
Yeah, that's what I definitely. Let's check a different ticker because that one was not really that schmexy. Okay, I'm trying to find stocks that look schmexy. Schmexy like WOK. This is an interesting one, guys. Let's take a look at this one. WOK. Okay, this is what is it? Hong Kong or a China stock? Which one is it? Hong Kong or China? Which one? China. It's a China stock. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a China stock. It's a China stock. And then it is a low floater, 8,000 shares. So they diluted the heck out of this, right? And then they must have reverse split it, I guess, right? So the float is 8,000 shares. So there is not a heck of a lot of liquidity, right? Not a heck of a lot of liquidity. It had 125,000 shares of volume. So in light of the low float that it has, that's a lot of volume. Right? Volume, right? However, it only went up 9% in after hours, right? So that's not a big move, and you could see that it is heavily contested between the buyers and the sellers. The RSI did push upward. We'll see what happens with it, but this stock has moved in the past. Again, it's one of those crazy China stocks. We'll see what happens with it. I want to see WOC break the 12-cent level. I want to see WOC break 12 cents. It needs to break 12 cents. It needs to break 12 cents to be schmexy to me. All right. Quick thing before we wrap up. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it's full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, which you see right now on the screen, pre-market scanners, after-hour scanners, regular hour scanners, float and volume catalyst context built right in, and you'll see our ticker tape scanner that was custom built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise, it's structure, and it's how we structure everything. If that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass, come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment, and when you come in, let us know that you saw us on the stream. We love hearing that. In addition to that, make sure that you're also following that you'll also check out the other offer we have. We have a limited time offer for a quarterly package. You can sign up for the quarterly package and get a big discount. The link is also in the description and in the pinned comment for that offer as well. Make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. We're also on x.com at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at CoachNickMoney. And we're on Twitch at Coach Money. Coach Money. And of course, you can't leave out the TikTok at DBL Knicks. at DBLNICKS, and the screen name is
Coach
Coach
Nick
Nick Money.
Money.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, I call y'all indelibles because I want you to leave your mark, and I want you to have an unerasable mark, a.k.a. indelibles. Indelibles. Folks, achieve your wildest dreams, aspirations, goals, everything. Be healthy, wealthy, wise. Educate yourselves. Knowledge is power. The more you learn, the more you earn, baby. Let's go.
The more
Let's
you
go. I just make a rhyme. I'm a rhymer.
Yeah, you
The
do
more
that.
you learn, the more you earn. Come on now.
That's right.
Come on.
Yep.
Don't cost you nothing to be nice to other folks either. So be good to other folks. It's a lot more fun to have money and making money with your buddies and having a good time with your buddies. Why not? Why not? It's awesome. I hope you got quite a bit of information today from the show. I hope you learned a lot. Hope you had a couple of laughs from my corner jokes. Some of my jokes are pretty good. Some of them hit pretty good. And yeah, make sure that you subscribe to that YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money because we got more shows on Monday. Microcap Mornings, 8:20 a.m. Monday morning, Monday through Friday, 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we'll be back at it with the Power Hour show Monday through Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the weekend edition of Power Play on Saturdays at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure your noties are on. You guys are amazing. We love you very much. It's Coach Nick Money
Coach Nick Money.
and the Serengeti Specialist herself, the one, the only, DBL Bombs.
Hey!
Let's go, baby. Now it's a party. We love you. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Get ready to make some money on Monday. Peace out. Bye-bye.
Peace out.